Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Hello.
Hey, Raga, good night.
Wagwan.
Today I know I have a little piece of story for you.
Send on.
All right. So first and foremost, the ladies them pan it up. What them females say we have power. So we're not gonna make no man take with the idiot.
Yeah.
All right. So Raga, so you know what I said 2 nights ago, right?
You have to talk directly in your phone. Don't make it move from your mouth, yeah?
All right. So may I say, one man I look a long time, you know,
Uh-huh.
and him have up the duffel, you know, Raga.
Him have up the what?
The duffel, the money matter.
The money, yeah. Money tall up. The money
Yeah.
up there, yeah.
Me a work for my little house, you know, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
But me don't want him to know say me in need like that, you know.
Yeah.
But me like him still.
Yeah.
Cause him have class. And him call me out to nice restaurants and so. That's to say me love me belly, but me say him will spend.
Him will spend, okay, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So him start asking me about me two daughter them and them something there. So me say, you know, I said the man you look like him a family, my family man.
Yeah.
So me decide to give him peace, Raga.
Run it on him, yeah.
You know the mood, everything right, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
You know the me glad the sex the man stop. When him stop, the man go in at the fridge, Raga. And he see him start pour some water in a glass. So me say, oh, I thirsty, I'm thirsty.
Uh-huh.
Mr. Raga, the man took the glass of water and come in at the bedroom. I said, up your foot, man. The too sweet,
No,
man.
well, stop. That, come now, man. Remember me tell you now, you can't, the way you TikTok do, you can't be raw like that over here, yeah?
All right, him said, oh, this something sweet, him adulterated.
Well,
So from that, Raga,
yeah.
the man, the next night, him come back. When him come back, me see white truck with furniture. The man say, I'm moving, and come down the house for me, Raga. I bear in mind, say, somebody husband. Right, this is a story end.
Well, on this, after you give him one walk, the next day him bring a truck of furniture.
Yes, Raga.
All right. Hold on 1 second. Every night me have to do this. To Kimona and the other people, you're not seeing the TikTok thing for say whatever because I'm not broadcasting through a phone. If I was going through a phone, you would see it. It's there, but it's from TikTok Studio on the desktop, but you don't see it, okay? So for those of you saying I should put it up, it's already up, okay? There's a way you do it when you're going live and you put it on and TikTok say thank you for so and so and so for, you know, adult listener and this and that and thing, okay? Just so on. So well, you give him one walk and thing and him go. So when him go a fridge and fill cup of water and throw up on it because he said that have to dilute because it's too sweet and the next. No. Hold on. Don't explain all that. Don't tell you, right? And then. No, hold on. You hold on. Listen to me. No, explain. You say anything to do with the graphic thing, a beer code we are using here. Again, TikTok was shut down my account. TikTok's tricky, you know, here. So it's important that you understand that. You can't talk things, you know, but just code it up, right? Code it up, all right? And you said the next day bring truck of furniture. What kind of furniture do you in that truck?
Me see him come with bed, me see him come with dresser, me see him come with one 2-door fridge, the ice maker fridge. That me see him come with. And one well if I close, somehow make him know I say, I know my place, you know, I be putting them place. So I can't move in like that.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So well, the man get one sort out and the next day bring a truck of furniture.
Mr. Raga, I'm sorry I never video it. The man talks some language I don't understand.
What you mean when you put it on him?
Yes, Raga.
One sort out, and the next thing bring one truckload of furniture
Raga, you
come.
say me can't ask certain things for the app.
No, you can't. Right. But one sort.
It, me go, let me tell you, edge it, me give it and the whole of it, Raga. Every day and stand up on him, Raga.
Oh, well,
It just I say, what you want, what you want?
yeah, we have to save that for another show. So what you say, you edge it and you lean it and you slant it and you put it on him good and whatever. And the next,
Right, this right.
right, they say next day you get a truckload of furniture. So basically,
Yeah, you
so,
move
so
in,
basically,
Raga, so me have to tell him, see, I know my place.
and him want to move in, but you take your furniture though.
Me keep the furniture because, Raga, in truth and in fact, we did need the ice maker food.
You didn't need
So me
the,
take them in.
you didn't
Yeah,
need the
because
ice
anything
maker
that
fridge.
come from my yard, him can't take it back. But
Eh,
for the bed, we go send it back.
well,
So when the other part of the house done, me have the dresser and me put the food in our kitchen.
so what you say, anything him bring out your yard, him couldn't take it back. Why you think him
Can't
couldn't
take
take it?
it back.
Why?
So what
Why?
happened to my time, Raga? What happened to my good what me going to give to him?
No, but why you think him couldn't take it back?
Raga, anything in the house, I me buy it. I me have it.
Anything with what?
Anything there in my house, it is mine.
No, but me just I say him. You say him can't take it back. So me just I wonder like say,
I'm not gonna take it back there, Raga. Him not gonna take it back.
okay. So what you say now? What you say about the bed?
The bed, me don't want the bed because obviously somebody might sleep on it. Yeah, but the
No,
fridge,
but
we
hold
can
on. But if
clean
it's a
it
truck,
down with
hold on,
paper
hold
and
on. But if it was a truckload of furniture, the bed would have new.
it looked like him a go from somewhere, Raga. And remember, say me not come to help us, me not go just take him in like that.
Oh, hold
But
on.
because he must spending money, so me the Raga. The sky is the limit. So when me tell him say my place I not mine, so make me go take out one house that got energy keep me and him.
One house down
And
at
that me
NHT.
tell him because I catch here, so
Oh, okay. So hold on. Now,
mm.
all furniture him did bring. Used
No,
furniture.
it don't look old, but the bed have a dent in it. The mattress have a dent in it. So me no want the mattress.
So it was just a mattress you never want.
I'm gonna take my want the bed either. I just want a new bed.
You just didn't
New
want it.
bed brings prosperity, rather.
Yeah, you're just particular about the bed, you know, where you take a bed from somebody. You rather
Yeah.
buy your own a bed. Oh, all right. But things did work out between you and him, right?
Raga, may I come from the phone can get a break.
Mm.
I pay a video call in video call. Let me be a work in my video call.
And
When I talk, how the thing I'm mad, man, can't concentrate and this and that. All kind of something.
oh, so it was all about your good, like your good, just
All
up there.
about the good. So me just empower the woman them can the upset and make woman use flow because we have power. I tell yourself so. You is the head. I'm not the tail.
Oh, okay. So hold
Yeah.
on, last thing before you go, like you start out really turn up like that, it really up there like that, proper like that.
Yes, Raga, and me give him the second time. And let me tell you what happened. Me wake him up in the night and me say, come follow me go on back. Me left something. And him say, where you left from? Me say, come no man, come follow me. So you
Remember,
see when me go on there,
remember,
Raga?
keep it clean now.
Yeah,
Cold.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Yes, Raga. Code.
Yeah.
So me just lift up the piece of night what me have on. And when he ask me, say, where you left? Me say, see it here.
Well, so you wake him up in the night and thing and say you left something around the back of your yard.
Yes, Raga, come here, give my papa sort out.
Yeah, and you carry him go
Outside. Mr.
out.
Raga, all the dogs turn up and watch me.
Okay, so you just want to do something adventurous. You just send it on pan.
That's right.
Give him a
Because
back
Mrs.
as
say all of them something them listen for him life, Raga.
yeah, them
So me
look.
just fill that gap there.
Oh,
So
so you
if that
give
the
him
way
little
they know
excitement and
always
adventure.
remember me
Yeah.
and give me what I want.
Oh, so you give him little adventure for him, some different things for him always remember you so him can give you what you
Yeah,
want.
me make me name in my head, Raga.
Okay. Yeah, make you what?
Anyway, you have to come back to me.
Okay, so that's why you make sure you put it on pan and good. That
Exactly.
is a goal. Okay, interesting.
Different location, not
The,
only in the bed. We put bed
yeah,
one side,
outside, under the moon, with the dog I watch.
under the moon.
Yeah, with the dog I watch. All right, then. You think you're easy. All right, then. Big up yourself here.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man. Blessing. I lady said she wake up a man and bring him round her back of the yard just to give him a backers and thing, you know. And she said that is to make him member her so that him can give her what she want when she want it. You understand? That is what the lady said. And she go as far as to say she want uno to know say ladies uno have that power. And uno to understand that power. So uno always a lead. Uno always a control the thing. Uno always a run the show. That is what she was basically saying. Of course, that I go work with a man who frightened for the good. You understand? Yeah, that I go work with them man they know who get a work like that and thing and go turn up with a truck of furniture the next night, like she said. Yeah, interesting. Aye, sir. Aye, sir. But now stay late tonight, you know, and lucky, you know, about 10-15 minutes more. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, in the past.
Hello. Are you me I say hello to? Hello. Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel. Coco Chanel. And I hear her call my name there, you know. Them send the request them and then they move her from them phone and all these things and whatever. Aye, boy. Alright, me I cut her off. Try somebody else. Let's go. Hello.
Oi,
Yeah.
Nikki lie like sure.
Well, you say I lie. The caller before you say I
Nikki
lie.
lie like sure.
Tell me why you think I lie, Shatter. Eh?
See up here like girl I tell.
No, but what if she's a bad man her if you're good, and what she get for you?
No bad man. Up here whole furniture.
I
The
be
man not live nowhere. The wife put him out.
Well, you say I be a whole furniture, and why fling him out? The man a live nowhere down.
That one mattress of dead.
Eh?
Oh, this is a mattress of dead.
Hold on.
Man not live
Hold on.
now.
Something that blow, some breeze that blowing on your phone here.
I'm a fan.
Are you fan? Where are you from? Jamaica?
Yeah man.
Okay. So what? Yeah. Make the fan. So what you say the man that live nowhere? That's why he could have come with the whole line furniture so quick, though.
Listen.
Yeah.
Man not live nowhere, so he might look one salvation.
He might look somewhere. He might look somewhere if he go live, though. So why you think say she a tell lie? Why you think say she a tell lie on her good?
Our about fear flesh so make
So what? You not think
fear
say
flesh so that
you,
as in man once in man moving with her.
you know so you not believe anything goes. Cause you hear much time I ask a particular question there. So one walkie dog get and the dog turn up with a truck of furniture the next day for movie.
Yeah, me did I mean know say you not believe nothing, you know.
Me, I am the host of the show. I juggle me I work.
You lie like Karachi film show.
When you say she lie like sure, she lie like Jesus, you know, say she at least here right now and a bantan you know. Eh?
You can't beat me.
No, but she probably at least here and I say, hey, I chew you not get where she get for fear something and fear dash out. Yeah, probably.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Girl too lie, man.
All right.
I can't know why she come bring me down.
All right, we're going to see it go. But as far as you can, As far as you concerned, a lie she tell her, be a lie she tell a while ago about what she get with her dash out and all them someday. That is what you are saying. Okay. All right, we're gonna go with that.
Me say girl like karate film for.
But well, you don't believe some man get sought out and end up by woman Karen or she gone. Listen door. Listen. There was a time when me never believed this either. There was a time when me never believed this either. But people, I don't know a long time in a game. So people come talk to me for counseling and all kind of things and whatever and way. People me are telling them, me never believe it either. But you have man out there who get sought out and run go buy woman car. You have man out there who get sought out and by the next month take out mortgage for house for woman. Me are telling them, me not asking them, I tell them because I know. And this is from somebody who never did believe so anything could have go so. When me did start just to hear them something the first, when when me never exposed, you grew up in a certain area and whatever, and the only people who me know did roll certain way with it back in the day. Some of young now and so back in the day in the 90s, people, the hustling thing they turn up, the man them who do them thing in the streets, a foreign. When me tell you, it did buck them time there, the Jamaican them man, they don't, we know about British link up and sachet and them turn. Some of them too young for know. But I just them man that we didn't know buy woman car and buy woman get woman hairdressing shop and get all woman one little plaza. I just them man them. And then now when me start the round uptown people now, I suddenly realize that is nothing. For buy a car for woman and them something. And then now me did get in a zone. I was there too when who me there with, who me have to there do. Like me buy a car for woman. There's several women who me did there with and me buy a car for them and whatever. So and then you reach a point there where you realize it's just nothing. But on the real though, even outsider, are your woman this or your wife this or whatever, so say you're gonna do anything for her as a man, though. Outside of that, yeah man, you have man out there, man, get one walking on the work, busting at them head in a man. And when the woman sister the work, cause you have some woman out there, them know the game, me I tell you that, man. And when the woman them sister them have him man. A regular woman send boy go buy car right away, after him get a proper dash out or a headers will turn him upside down and all these things. A regular thing that man. Believe it or not. Right? Me know a man buy under for him wife a Mercedes for him side woman, yeah. I say, we can't go in a drama after drama, so don't get it twisted. Some woman good like that, or to put it another way, some man weak like that, yeah? Some man frightened like that, yeah? And the other woman can call and tell you, say, that I go on and I want to tell you too. It all depends on a level now, where you have some accomplished woman out there now. Right? Not as much as the men them, but you have woman out there, man, we get all a good fix up, man. Or a man give her a good facial, we mad her man and she goes so boom and just start spend pan a boy. Yeah, and buy a car, give a boy and give a boy anything. All that a go on too, yeah. Cause you have some boy out there, them bad pan all the facial, and all them something there, man. Make all a woman mind turn up, man. Anything boy want, boy get. You understand? Try know so that are going out there in the world. Okay? So don't get it twisted. Alright, we could talk to some people. We'll see if we can link some people. Yeah. Oh, well on. If you're here and you're watching, follow me. Follow me. If you're not following Ragashanti right just up on TikTok, follow me right now. Follow me right now. If you watch and you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Let me see. Yeah, follow me. Turn up the follow them. Me want to reach 40,000 tonight, and you see tonight going like couldn't know I'm reach 40,000. Right? Follow me right now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Okay? And the Percy and hello. 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 All right, next. No. Go on, yes, sir. Oh, well on. Oh, Nikki, link back. Something happened a while ago. Cause it look like you want to answer the woman who say a lie you tell. So link back, Nikki. You wanna know me love the arms also. Yo! Link back, Nikki, link back. Alright, I'm gonna go and bring in somebody else in the meantime. Yeah, if you watch, follow me right now, you know? Hello. 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 Alright. No, well, let me see if we can. Let me see if we can. See if we can bring him back, Nikki. Nikki.
Yes, Raga.
The caller said.
As a man talking truth, you never go there if you want go and end up there.
And what?
Can you like the vibes? Code we are talking. You
yeah, code. Yeah.
And go there if you want go and end up there. I end up saying, you know.
No. What? No, one thing me I go tell you. Now listen, man, and just listen me first, right? Me not lie. There was a time I remember this thing. Me they live off Sanders near King's house, this and whatever. And me get one look at workings and thing. And me tell you, say when me I get the workings.
Yeah.
Me find myself, I said, John Wayne, what's I need to do something for that woman there. John Wayne, me need to do. John, hold on, let me talk. Right? I remember me and things or whatever. I remember like the way when my headspace did the way it did good, you know, because when me tell us a girl got skills, you know, you talk about the catch and quint, you know, you talk catch it at the head and squeeze it and slide it back and hold on, man, Nikki, Bill, hold on. So me I tell you say at that time I remember me jump out of that, you know, and me start cuss her, you know. And she asked me if I'm mad. And I say, you need to breeze me and leave the place for a while. I need to breeze me because I find myself, I think, I find myself, I think, all kind of foolish. It's like I need to make sacrifices for that woman. Yeah, she needs something big. I want to something. Yes, I'm find myself. No, but you can't go and talk. The woman,
let me put him on. But he's not come from work yet. Because we put him on for your show and make him come clear the ear.
No, but hold on, man. The caller say a lie you tell nothing no go so that the man never lived nowhere.
Anytime the man come, Raga, they go put him on and make everybody get the clarity when they need.
No, she say a lie you tell pan your good. A lie you tell pan. She say a lie you tell the man never turn up with no truck full of furniture and all these things. And she said the man never lived nowhere somewhere. Him did a look for stay because him never have nowhere for stay. Well, basically, she did a say.
Who got to tell me right now?
Listen.
I tell her, work these days, the time too hot AC.
No,
but so she has to go in with a man to get her AC, Raga, because her AC they in my house. Because you move out from another house, Raga. And when the actual coming up, her AC said for 25,000. What is 25,000?
So I said no.
And after God, the just matter go stitch up. We tear out from under our Raja. So she can't get her AC.
No, yeah, don't go on there. Yeah, don't keep it, you know, keep it up. So
but how she can come talk about my good Raga. After me not there with girl. How she
No,
can know say I like me I tell. Me
no,
not
but
there with
what
girl.
I'm saying, she's saying that I know it have nothing to do with your good. She basically I said the man never live nowhere, so that's why he run come this. So it have nothing to do with your
The
good.
man live somewhere, Raga.
Eh?
The man live somewhere, Raga. Raga, me not go defend the man no more, you know. Me I wait until him come, me put him on the live. I make the ear clear.
Her exact word was you lie like show, you lie like karate show. Said nothing no go so I lie you tell. Yeah.
Raga,
Yeah.
me not stand up here like me take a school channel quiz. Yeah, wait until the man come. Let she ask the man all of the questions them and the man will answer. Right, that's a Raga.
Okay. So what you say basically no look a fangirl can come talk to you as a AC
No,
woman though.
Raga, straight AC. Me can video call you with this with me AC.
Eh?
Me
Eh?
can video call you with the AC.
Yeah,
Come
yeah.
on, want show you in my house,
No,
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 Raga.
no, sure, make us see if we can. Yeah, man, come me bring it in, make us see. Make us see a video call with the AC. Yeah.
Because the girl, she don't know me and I don't know her, Raga.
All
You see,
right.
when the man come, the man are gonna come clear the ear.
All right, me send you a request for you turn on your camera and thing or whatever. Cause I want to see if you really have the AC for true because
What
whatever.
Raga talk about,
Cause you
man?
could have me send you the request for you turn on your camera. Cause you could have did the attack and you probably have a little standing fan of hype the two and whatever and all these things. So we don't know.
Raga,
What Eh?
when the man come, you see everything and the man tell you how me come by it. Put
Now,
it right there, so.
hold on, a while ago you just say if we want to turn on
I
the video.
said to you, when the man come,
No, hold on, you're not here when me I say
hold on,
be.
Raga, hold
No,
on, you see, to
man.
the man are spending money.
Well,
When him come, him answer.
no, but
Him answer.
what me I said to you, you just offered an invitation for turn on the video for sure with the
But want
ace.
show see man, but we want also show the man and the quality of the man and where the man drive.
No,
That's
but me I
what the
say
man is
right,
all about.
no,
But we want
right,
give you the whole answer in a one
no,
Raga. Hold
well,
it there, so.
right, yes, I know.
Hold it there,
We
so.
want just satisfied with the AC
Hold on,
alone.
Raga, hold on.
Yeah, me I hold on. We just see the AC alone, right? Since you say you have up the AC and all these things and whatever, we want to see the AC. Cause you now go join
Hold
the
on, Raga. You're the man, yeah.
what?
Nicholas, allow me to tell, but the furniture them where you bring come and the AC where you install.
No, I don't lie.
All right, Raga,
No,
where you
hold
go?
on there, Nicholas,
Hold on.
Nicholas.
Right, that's right, done,
No,
Raga.
hold on.
Right, that's right,
No,
done.
no,
You don't tell that time, man, good, Raga.
Nikki, go one time and make me talk to Nicholas. Make me talk to Nicholas.
Nicholas, Raga talk.
I want to talk to Nicholas. Nicholas.
Nicholas, what for?
Yeah,
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 Nicholas. You are
yeah. Oh God.
all right. So tell me the truth where God love you. Know. Tell me the truth. You are telling me say Nikki give you one sort out and the next day you come with a truck of furniture for move in with her.
Yeah. That means.
Eh? No, Nicholas, you don't sound confident, you know. You don't sound confident. Nicholas,
It's on a car right now.
no, Nicholas, I can't hear you. What kind of
Yeah.
furniture you did bring, Nicholas? What kind of furniture you did bring?
On a bed.
No, me hear her a whisper to you. She a whisper to you. Me hear her a
No,
whisper. Me hear her a whisper, Nicholas. Me hear her.
no.
Nicholas, me
You
hear her.
want to say other things when are true. Not
All
just
right.
like
She said,
Nicholas bed.
Nicholas, she said you bring everything except a fridge. Why you never bring the fridge? Eh?
Alive there. Alive there.
Nicholas, why you never bring the fridge?
Like my life.
Yeah, you're not chat polite, but me say, why you never bring the fridge?
Come.
You need to talk up, Michelle, come on.
Here ya. Jano. Yo. Okay.
I just come in, Raga, but in the panakal.
Yeah, him the pan
So you see this? After
Yeah.
the next session.
All right, the next session. So you're not give it the video tonight where you say you did want to give it, right?
Raga, you talk to him, make him know what is what. Because as him tell you before, The colors never see a line yet. Tell him why you bring come here now. Come off my phone and tell
No,
him.
man, Nicholas busy right now. Him no want talk. It's all right.
Me don't need to tell a lie, Raga.
All right. All
Full
right.
video you go get.
All right. Now say a word, man. All right.
Right there, so.
Right, that's so. Okay, cool. Yo,
Anyway, Raga, like when him come, they got up him food in the microwave and make him have him food.
and deal with him food. You have deal with that.
And deal with him food. Because you know, say, I wait through man artist through him stomach.
Through him stomach and thing. All right.
Right.
Balance your thing here, Nikki.
All right,
All
Raga.
right, cool. Yeah, man, cool.
Tomorrow, I come back on the live.
All right, then, Nikki. Cool. Oh, God. I don't know, but I don't know, Nicholas never strong up in him response, them. No, dog. Nicholas never strong up in him response, man. And when time I talk to Nicholas, my ear, I tell Nicholas what him for say, No, my ear, Nicky, I tell Nicholas what him for say. Yeah. And the dog never firm up in him response, like, for say, no, man, Remy did so and so and so. Yeah, man, and this and that, and Raga, me not tell no life, really, it turn up, man. And me and I did a reason, I'm say, so me want to move in with you and whatever, this and him never said nothing like that, to give it like a context and whatever. He was just like a minimalist, and he was just very hesitant and just unsure and thing, and she, they're like, it's like she there. I said, Nicholas, tell him, man, whatever. I don't know. I got hello.
Raga,
Yeah, what going?
say me want believe Nikki and me can't believe.
You want to believe Nikki and you can't
Me
believe
want
her.
to believe her, Raga, me can't believe her.
You don't believe her. You don't believe Nikki. You feel she lies.
Raga,
You
me
feel
believe when them say sometimes some man will get weak.
yeah.
And me get one of them thing, Raga.
Yeah. Well,
I left my job for 2 years and
well,
some
no, well on. Me need to hear you look loud. I mean, I know your voice low and things. So you say,
You not hear me, Raga?
no, I hear you, but it just kind of low, You know the part earpiece or Bluetooth.
No.
All right, go on talk. Yeah, talk directly in my phone.
Me
So,
I say, me believe the fact that some man weak.
yeah,
Some man thing. Can me get one of them too?
you did get one. And
You
you say,
understand?
when you put it upon him say, for 2 years, him say, just stay a
For
yard
2
and not
years,
do
he
nothing.
stung on me yard like a crow, Raga.
Yeah, because
Make man look after me.
I make man look out for you and thing, and say,
Yeah.
I when the good, it bust up in my head, make him do that, don't
Raga, me can tell you so that the man did not get it 5 times good.
him not even get it
And at
5
2
times
years,
good.
me get out tight.
And at 2 years you get out of it, and he must get about and about.
Exactly.
So we out of the entire 2 years or 5 times, he must get it total, don't.
Me say, Raga, me say the man not get it 5 times good.
And mine here to the fullest for 2 years.
And me left me work. Left me work, go sit in the yard, now do nothing, like a big prof.
Jeez, so what you think a while ago with
So me
Nikki?
understand when Nikki has say, the man bringing him some of them. But when she can't show the AC, she have me at.
No, because as she bring it up, as she say, me can't put it on the video and whatever. I say,
Yeah, I'm
yeah.
there you wait patiently,
Yeah.
silently waiting for the video.
She bring it up, and then when me call her bluff now, I say, yo, show me. She say, nah,
Yeah.
man, me nah about to show you, me have to show you
Raga,
everything.
Raga, don't care us, don't still,
Well, you say, I don't think Nikki house do. No, you're wicked. What you say? I don't think Nikki house don't make sure don't want to show it. No, you beat her wicked right there, so you beat her.
But Raga, some man can get weak through.
So,
Man can get weak.
Yeah, man, me I tell them for sure, man. Me know a man weak out, man. Get it good, man, and weak out and turn idiot, man, yeah? Yeah? Me know a man weak out and forget all him when I'm birthday and all them something there.
I tell you, man, Raga, this thing on me yard like a crop. Me pick me, I go school, my bills are paid, and my belly full.
But a good take care of our pian.
Raga, I say I left my work.
You left your work.
If I pay and take care of business down a yard,
You left your work and you never hungry one day in the
big
2
rough
years.
2 years. I say, you know what, I go rest for them 2 years. I know, I go rest off my body.
Rest off your body down. And out of the 2 years when him a mind you and I send your picnic go school and I buy everything and I pay all of your bills. I must say 5 look around him get and it sound to me like you don't even give him the 100 with the run them, you know?
Me say, the man not get it 5 times good.
But it sound like the 5 time you don't even go all out for him or nothing.
The first time I did.
Yeah, and that
But
mash
the
up in
other
it.
time I said, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
sure.
I did like the man still in the rag. I did like him, but him because nasty and me and nasty people can't get along. Somebody have to cut him off after the 2 years.
Oh, him the nasty.
Yeah, man, I couldn't manage it no more rag. I have to just say, you know what? I go out, I go work, I make him go out. I can't
Well,
manage the nasty.
nasty, nasty, him did nasty, him did nasty. Like, what him did that do?
Rag the man more strong.
Oh, him mouth strong. Spoken
More
like a true
strong.
Jamaican. Yeah, Raga, the man mouth strong. Him did that one strong mouth, the man.
Strong. I couldn't manage it, rag. You still at the back seat of the car and the man then at front seat attack.
Yeah.
And then at the car stink.
Wow. Wow. That sound rough.
And that's why my stomach couldn't stand to give me too much time, raga.
Okay. So then tell me something then when you did that give me that thing, even when him have a strong mouth, talking God truth, you did still kiss him up though, don't?
Kiss what?
Yeah, I tell you, they kiss him up, man.
Raga, kiss what?
No kissing.
You're crazy.
No look at kissing or nothing, no look at tongue
So
so.
raga pay mama and papa and get me an insurance and around with the little rubber when put on. Cause me no want to get catching at the pregnant race.
Okay, you don't want to breed for him and thing like that and whatever.
Crazy, I know me no want them.
And you don't want to know, oh God and whatever. So no look at kissing never
Raga,
go
me
on.
talk to him, you know, I talk to him to fix up himself. But he never want to fix up himself. He just nasty naturally.
Oh, why if him did have halitosis or one and then sitting there?
Raga, me carry the man go at that and get medication and the man don't even want to take the medication. So it just sure say.
Oh,
the
yeah.
man.
Yeah, him kind of the don't care type of thing, you know? And thing. Anyway, so.
The money did put still somebody does a hang on a little, but when reach a point I couldn't take it no more. I say, you know what, I go back away.
All right then. But before you go though, for the record though, we need to hear. Nikki I tell the truth or she I tell lie?
Me up on the line, Raga. Come on, see the AC same way. Me still wait on the AC.
So at the lie part you're there on a lie, you say Nikki I tell
Me
lie.
up on the line.
All right.
The line.
You're there on the line. The line.
Yeah, the line.
Oh,
What?
you know, okay, so it can go either way for you and whatever. Okay then. All right
Yeah.
then. I guess so you're there. All right then, big up yourself here.
All right.
No, why Jamaican people? Well on. Lisa come back. Not coming back in, Lisa. Where you, Lisa? Yo, Lisa, what?
The fella said the girl like, but Tiffy come here.
Eh?
Tiffy come here, but he had to go 2 years though with that about it.
What I want to do? What?
What the kid talk so strong for that the 2 years there?
What do you
For
mean?
that them out there.
Which 2 year you talk? Oh
You know,
yeah.
say 2 years you sit down with the man.
No, you talk about no. I know Nikki that did that talk a while ago, you know.
No, Tiffy, me say Tiffy.
Oh, Tiffy, okay, yeah. Tiffy said she wanted for 2 years and she'd have to Lego man. No, it's in a year she said the money did
Tiffy I
strong.
tell truth, you know, but Tiffy I tell lie this man.
Now why you think everybody a tell lie, you know?
You have to listen to you like that.
No, Tiffy sound true to me. She sound true to me.
Yes, me say she a tell truth, but he part when you ask him say, if you not kiss that the man there, if 2 years you have that the man there, you never kiss him.
No, well on. Listen to me now. Listen to Mas Raga, listen to the old man now. Listen to me. Me know woman, me know couple there for years and years and sat out regularly and never kiss. More than one couple
Why
too.
me not take up a man who can't kiss?
No, but I'm telling you, it again is one of those things I never thought like whatever and thing. And you know how it come up. You remember the whole thing in the Pretty Woman movie, right? When you remember Pretty Woman with Julia Roberts and Richard Dreyfuss, right? And she was a little hustler in the street, but she did have this thing like, no, she no kiss. She a work, you pay your money, you get your sort out, but no kissing. And she saved the kissing them for who she really like. But and we were having a discussion with some people about it and thing, and there were people who them there with somebody who them just you have some people just don't do kissing. I know it's hard because we are used to kissing coming first even before certain things happen, right? But there are people out there who just don't kiss.
But for a man I live with, eh? If a man a road now, me can't fit through that. But no fight things with she talk. Maybe
No,
leave her, I go see
she never
kissing
tell
for
us
her.
that them live together. She never said that.
Oh,
Me nah say them never live together, you know. Me just I tell her say she never said them live together. She said the man take care of her.
oh.
Right? The man pay all our bills and whatever. You have man who do that. But them not live with the woman. So she never said them live
But I
together.
know again with Nikki, she know. You know, see her son, she put up
Ours.
Nikki and Nicholas. Eh? And your man now.
Well, what you say?
You're the man now. When you ask the man, why man, bring your man. Nikki did a whisper. Your man. He bed, nothing else.
They hear me I try draw card panic. I remember she said him bring, the way it name the fridge. So I can't
Nikki
not draw
AC,
pan,
not AC.
But when me said to him say, yo, so why you never bring the fridge? Cause she say you never bring the fridge. Cause clearly she don't tell we say him they bring the fridge. So me I try to catch him now right there. So, but you see, she has say something to him, Cause him could I know him not answer that, him not answer that question there. Because
Yeah, your Nicholas I say he say you want him set to when I go so.
he did say that, didn't he? He did say something like that. So she want me to say some things, But what happened
Mama
is that,
can't whisper.
no man, when me knock him with the trick question now, and she a hear the trick question, she a try to tell him how him for juggle with the car. He might hear me I say, she say you never bring the fridge. So, but she probably did there tell him to say, don't man, say you bring the fridge or whatever. But he might hear me I say, no, she say you never bring the fridge. So him get confused now, hear him now, no. Yo, watch out now, me no like even talk on the internet and so. Nicholas under pressure. So when you say our
You
son,
see,
when you say she name Nikki
her
and him
son
name
man, you see
Nicola, our
Nikki
son
D,
she bring
Nikki
down.
D say and you say me man can me don't believe but when I go ask him say if it's something new, he say,
Oh,
no.
oh God, me can't believe you say our son Nikki bring our son come act like our man will bring truckload of
Our
furniture.
son, Nikki and Nicholas.
Nikki and Nicola.
Nikki like sure.
When you say it can't be no coincidence that the two of them are two Nikki coming, Nikki and Nikki, no, Nikki and Nicholas, Nicoline and Nicholas. I'm just assuming she named
Yes, no.
Nicoline. No, yeah,
Yeah,
no,
good.
Nikki
Nikki
going
let me
bant,
night.
Nikki going bant and you know about the woman bring her son and act like her son or man here. All right, that's our word. Bless up here. Oh
Yeah.
God, why? Why Jamaican people, the full of vibes, That me I tell me nah give my Jamaican people them for nothing. I could have 10 million degree, know my thing them set up for that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I must see me can bring in somebody else. I just know, see what I go on. Well, Lisa said she wallet say a lie Nikki I tell. But she named this boy, she still there on the line. Yeah, what go on, good night. What you say, lie or true? Lie or true? Eh? Sweka.
Hi,
Hi.
I accidentally requested. Could you?
Oh, so wait, a while ago when you laugh, you just listen to the show?
Oh, yes.
Huh? So why
Yeah.
your voice sounds so silky soft? I put on voice there?
No.
No, but a while ago when we come on, you did a boss big laugh, you know, so oh you get restrained now. Eh? Oh you get so restrained now and a hold back now and whatever. Free up man, a Ragashanti attack to free up. And before you go, just tell me, true or lie, Nikki?
Lie.
I lie, Nikki. I lie. What you say I lie, Nikki, I tell though.
Me wait for the AC and all
Yeah,
now.
yeah, wait on the video with the AC and all now. But you see how she got dig hole for
Right.
herself. And I mean bring it up, you know. And she go say, yeah, I can't run it. Cause no, a girl with her fan can't come chat to me. And whatever AC I run it, I can't run it. And I say, yes, Nikki, sure we. And then Nikki start draw beer card. No, man, I want to show you everything, man. You have to wait for another time, you know.
Right.
Anyway, my can't say you don't really want to talk, you know, so it look like you really accidentally send the request, you know. So big up yourself, yeah?
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Alright, okay, here we go.
Take me.
She was about to say, take me off. She probably don't even know if I come on,
Hi,
but
Raga.
hey, what's up?
I'm good. What was the question?
Oh no, me did, you know, as I said, Nikki I tell lie or she I tell the truth.
When you can't tell her, bro.
Nikki I tell lie, why you said that?
No, me I asked what was the question about Nikki.
Oh, you never hear what Nikki say?
Mm-mm.
Oh, me can't get in. It's it's long. It's a back and forth thing. So if you never hear it, it will take me a time to explain. You know.
What a situation I'm on top was I look a story about one man.
Yeah, man. Say that.
So me one man online and come from Cayman, right?
Yeah.
The man say him did do not there. He might take care of one girl for over 6 years.
Yeah.
She bisexual. She have a son. The son don't belong to him.
Okay.
So he has been financing me for over a month. We never yet meet him, right?
Mm-hmm.
Remember, I know the man told me same now. I can't cuss funny and cuss for it.
No. You can't say no.
So
You
he
can't.
said he has never been intimate with a young
Yeah.
lady
You
that's
gotta be clean.
bisexual
Yeah.
and has a son.
Mm-hmm.
But he want to fly me out to get intimate with me. Someone said to him, say, that unfair. Because how you financed the girl for over 6 years because him claim to say that her house burnt down and she not work and she's having complications getting a job. Yet
Mm-hmm.
still, you meet me within 1 month and you want to fly me out to get my friends.
Mm-hmm.
So, Raga must say to him, say, like how you know she longer than me, why each time your body calls him, you can't look to she and ask her for the front family indirectly. So anytime you feel aroused, you can just go to see for what she feel you based off of me. So the man say banana manners. Some say to me fair because clearly I want pay pig or a trick or something because oh yeah, finance this girl for over 6 years and they meet me within 1 month and one of my friends they want to fly me out to come and Cayman, but at the same time she not getting a front. So I bring up the story to somebody and the person say, I lie my tell. Because a man will take care of a girl, especially a bisexual girl, with a youth when I belong to him and I'm a minor for over 6 years, and she not give me front.
Alright. Couple of things.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just interesting. I find myself in this position here tonight. We have to keep saying certain things. All right. Again, that is something me would have said 20, 25 years ago. Listen, there are men out there who mind woman for years and don't know if that woman a man or woman.
Mm-hmm.
You have man out there who mind woman. And when me talk about mind, me not talk about no look fenke something. I talk about sky juice and burger and them something there. We talk
Yeah.
about proper mind and don't know if that woman there a man or woman. You see people that must say true. And some listen, you have situation where man a do it and the woman I tell the man say, stop giving me your things because me not going to sleep with you.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, know it's that you want. Stop offer me your things. And the man them still a do it a year and still want it. And the woman don't tell them over and over. leave me alone. Me take your things and whatever, but me know, but you're a nice man. Mr. Sir, go on. Right? You go find somebody who would appreciate you're a nice man. And the man then still did it. And I mind the woman them or whatever.
Rather you
And
feel
nah
like
get
him not get no fun from her. I feel like
no
I
no
lie myself.
no. I could have lie my tell because I regular lie that to a man I tell. So it's
Yeah,
like
cause
it's
she live in she live a Cayman with him, and him live a Cayman.
yeah.
And she bisexual. So me I say maybe I want Friday night them go club and drinking one and a little stuff go
No,
on.
no, no. Me just I say broadly speaking, you have man will do that. With him,
Yeah,
quite a likely a lie matter. Even if I
lie
know,
myself.
even if I know she, probably somebody else did it where him do some things with her, whatever. And but you have men out there who do that. But clearly, him want get with you, and him want the classic thing where, oh, if me go tell you say me and a woman I do so and so, you not go give me, right? So me I go just lie and say nothing I go so and whatever. Or wait there, everybody who there me see it, who not follow me yet, follow me please. All I want who are watching live right now, if you not follow me yet, follow me right now. Just take the time and follow me right now. Yes, so I could have lie my tell, but leave out she out of it. Leave
Mm-hmm.
she out of it. Are you now for govern your thing away if you know say you talk to a man a month and then he must say, you for know how much you like a guy.
Mm-hmm.
For say him want fly you go Cayman and thing now. Because the tricky thing with that, you are leave the safety and the security of your space and
So
you
good.
go our next country and whatever. So
Mm-hmm.
something like that when my sister in them talk to me about that, I say, you mad man, what you do? If you like a guy and want to sleep with him the same night, your business that. But no fly
Mm-hmm.
from a country go and go to no man and our next country,
Mm-hmm.
where just attack to you a month. No care what him do for you or whatever. If you're there so
Mm-hmm.
you see a man and you go out and you say you like that boy there and your spirit take him and him clean and him smell good and whatever and you want to go so and so with a guy there where you know and whatever and wanna go out. Your business that. But no fly
Mm-hmm.
from a country.
So
Go
meet
on
no
one
man.
next country. Go meet the man where you know for 1 month who I tell you say him want to fix up. A madness that, do them something they be. And you see all these women out there, them a do them things there and fly from one state going and next to one country going and all kind of things happen to them and all them things there. You understand what I say?
Mm. Yeah.
So him can't front by with that and whatever. If him want to tell him to fly, go to you. Go to
Mm-hmm.
you where you there. If him really want it so much and whatever, yeah, but you fly, go another country and make any man go lock you up in a room and you don't know nobody over there or where him there. And even if you run out, you would even know where to turn to rat it. You
True.
understand? So I
You come
mean,
here say you have the in my mind for over 6 years and the story don't make no sense. I don't know, some of the sound fishy car. The pitney and a film one, South London, she now work a be excuse to she get out. I never trust it like that. As I
yeah,
say, he did give me things. But the
yeah.
man just did look shaky.
And in my mind, a bisexual
A
woman for six
bisexual
years
woman, yeah.
and
And him
thing.
come ask him, say, she not getting a threesome. Him say, no, him and her not have no sex.
Well, I could have just him friend. I could have just him friend.
Yeah,
Yo,
cause me must say him say her name woman. Queen Nash. Him say her name girlfriend. She's just a friend. Him a help in a one situation. Yeah, he might tell lie, yeah.
no, no, well, I can't tell you that. Back in the day when me on the road, me the too kind, right? But back in the day when me on the road, you have women who me help, particularly young ladies who go through this and that who me help. I me never want a friend from them. And just to keep it balanced because I don't want them get it twisted, me just tell them up front. I don't want a friend from you. Me not short up front. I name Ragashanti. Boom, bam, 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 bam. But me love what you do so and so, and you do so and so, you're a trying girl or whatever. I me help woman or whatever. Now, maybe,
So excuse me, but you see how he make it sound says a case where him pay the rent every month, him send the son to school, and she now with none at all. She live with her girlfriend at the house, so him a pay the bills. So two of them now work, the girlfriend now work, she now work, and him just pay for everything.
no, that sound, that
How can I
sound,
write
yeah,
rather?
that no sound, that no sound, that
And
no
him
sound.
say, someone said to him, say, oh, this a go because me want my dividends to come in. And the fact that you have a responsibility and you can't so she's just a friend, it have to go cut off.
No, no, that sound
Instead
weird.
when him tell her, she start cussing us, you have cut her off and him promise her, say she will finance him. So, I'm right, Raga.
Yeah, well, she did a run him head then or something, you know.
Mm-hmm.
She probably, if me a idiot them way there, whatever, and she can run him head. Some woman catch a fool like that, you know, and just lock him in there so and thing or whatever. And so it's possible, but me just not think it was something safe that you go fly, go over there and go juggle with him and thing, and you know. That not sound safe to me, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
See? Alright, but oh yeah, but oh no, you never hear the Nikki thing. But anyway, yeah, they are juggling, you know.
Your mama there.
Give thanks and thing, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Blessings, boo boo. Take care, cool. Now people being serious, you know. You have to understand, say you have sometime, when media Jamaica in particular, enough people may help, you know. Male and female, particularly when I was a lecturer at the University of the West Indies. Me will help some of the students, them, male and female. You know, enough of people them go through it and thing, and that's where me come from to get to me come from to. So me never have it. When me did I go Calabar, me did it on the needy student list. At the school used to give me food. The guidance counselor arranged because my mother never have it and thing. Yes, and but there have been at times different part of my juggling where maybe I help somebody and then I drive for somebody else who knows me I help that person there and I say, oh Raga, you think me an idiot? Me hear say you will help that girl and whatever and this and that. I say, yeah, me not talk about it because I know your business and whatever who me I help and when you help people, them know why you go around and I tell people say I help them or whatever. So me say, no, we're not going to get in on this discussion about the lady or whatever. Or you hide something. I say, no. If me help somebody, but me not give you no details about where me help with the person, right? You understand? But me I tell you, say, me I'm just a helper. And there have been several times when I understand why the suspicion. Because they tell me why. Why did I do rude, you know, man? Right? But yeah, there were a couple times when, somebody I get in and thing and whatever, and them just never believe me, you know. And Jamaican man lie. Let's be honest, they lie and them Ginal and all them something there. So women know how to be careful with that. So you find so when you have a man who will tell the truth, you know, and then them start think certain way like, why would you be helping that person so much? You pay them school fee or whatever, which is how me usually help, you know, because some of them, see them turn up for class, so you will check in, well, me so and you say, sir, I don't have the money because this and that and whatever, and rare. So me will help them with school fee and whatever and thing like that. And sometimes get a little money if them have youth and thing and whatever. There was this one young lady, her baby father, them shoot him up, kill him and thing, and she come from Seaview. And she was over pure and applied faculty. And she still has come school. And she have her baby and she left the baby and she come. And I see her go. And one time she come for con me with a prescription condom. Big con that a Jamaica, you know. Prescription to fill out and whatever. And me, and at the end, I say, yeah, me tell you something. Me don't give you the money, you know. But me not give the money if you make you think say you can me. Me I give the money because me see you as a trying woman. Right? And you look good, girl, you stay good and whatever. But I don't want your front. I just want to help you. Right? And end up I talk to somebody else and them, because she look good. She look really, really good. And the person who I talk to, I know she don't believe me. She said, no, there's no way you cannot help somebody who looks so good and then you not get nothing from her or whatever. But people, it happens, you know. And when you have to understand too, you have man out there who, I don't know hype or nothing, but you have man out there who, the way how them things set, them can't keep it 100, So what you think is a big deal is not necessarily a big deal to them, in terms of helping, So you may think like, well, I can't believe him do this, him do that, but that might be nothing to the man there. Nothing, or, like him a dash your money, but that not gonna kill him or cripple him or whatever. You understand? So somebody may have like a misinterpretation of the resources being expended towards that person and things like that. So, but the point I'm making is that you do have men out there, nice, decent men who you're not gonna clown them out or take them for fool or whatever. But them do what them can for help people sometimes and them don't want nothing in return. Right? A lot of time you have ladies who them go out and a man will buy them a drink and a send her a drink and whatever. And the man don't make no move for them. Women can't tell you that. Right? And then them tell them friend and I say, so we go out and thing and a man did a buy with like a whole night and thing and big woolly expensive thing and then them tell them friend we say, so he never look for you, never tag your number and thing and them are like, no. So you tell me say the man spend money on whole night and thing and laugh and whatever and him then no lookings. No. And it's a hard thing because them friend I say, no, not them too lie. I saw them go out, they go dash out and give man this and that and for liquor and whatever. But it's true. You have men who spend and it's just a fun because it's nothing to those men. It's just fun and them appreciate an attractive woman, yeah, or something like that. Because there has to be something appealing about the woman for the man to do that. But it happens, You have men who do things for women and them don't want anything in return because them no short tight with them there. You understand? Some people I say, yeah, are true. See, there's some women are used to it, and them say others are lie. See, there, Yannick say are true, Kitty Cat say are true. Miss Chen say, my dad was like that. Once you have ambition, he will help you and not looking a thing for you. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. A couple students, man, you see them at work hard and thing, them do them work and thing, and then all of a sudden you don't see them. And when you check in and whatever, you track them down, sir, I can't come school. Another time I have to jump in and just make them know, say, do you know what is the percentage of people who go to tertiary institution in the world? Less than 5%. You are in less than 5% of your position. You can't, boom. I'm going to do so for you and thing, man. Come back to school. I'm going to do that all the while. All the while. And people, they think, say, yeah, you might do so. One of them things. I'm going to do a couple more calls before me left and thing. And, you see, I reach the 40,000, 39,456. All right, follow me. If you're there, you're not follow me right now. Follow me. If you're there and you're not follow me right now, follow me right now, okay? Take a second to follow me, right? Follow me. If you're not following me, follow me right now. All right. Shani said we are share Raga. All right. See it? Yeah. See, you see how much I want to never follow me on there? Follow me, man. All right. See it? I'm going to see if we can, some other people. Moya link back again. Me link Moya call a couple times now. When I bring her in, she not answer. Watch, I bet you she not answer again. I'm going to see what I'm going to do. Was it Moya? Or Cora? Or me I think the wrong name. Alright. That now come in. See it now come in, eh? Oh. Hello.
Oh, Roger.
Yeah, what go on?
Good night.
Good night.
I'm a long time.
Long
I'm
time
20
listener. What go on?
open.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now it's just home. And I think that the girl is lying.
You think Nikki I tell lie?
Yeah, and then the guy, he sounded sleepy. So
Wait there,
I'm gonna
hold on. Talk
lie.
directly in your phone here.
Okay, you hear me better?
Much better, yeah.
Yes, I'm saying Nikki and Nicholas, they're both lying because the guy sounded shaky,
Yeah,
nervous, like he's not sure what to say, and
yeah.
she's directing him.
Yeah, Nikki I direct him if he said don't.
Exactly.
And him not talk with confidence, right? You
You
say him so
know,
yeah.
And if she didn't have AC, who wouldn't probably show up them AC at this at the time right now?
Is she bring it up? Is she bring up about the
Exactly.
AC? Or she bring it up when she give it to Lisa and I said, Lisa is a fan girl. Lisa can't come chat to me with her fan.
But nothing
AC, I
wrong
do.
with
I
fun.
nothing wrong with fan, but because I say what she say, and she go there, and she say, yo, Lisa can't come chat to me with her fan. Okay, AC, I do it. And then she gonna say, Raga, I can't turn on the video. I can't turn on the video and show you the AC. And then I say, yeah. And then right after that, chop, I don't even show you yet, yeah, man, because
For herself and Lisa with
yeah, I start drawing be a card and thing or whatever. So and a me flapper, you know, and Nikki flapper herself, you know.
exactly.
And Nikki gonna
I
bring it up so she wanna show run the video for show the fan.
well, she get flop.
Eh?
She get flop.
She get it was funny though.
Very
But
funny.
you are saying Nikki a tell lie and Nicholas a tell lie. That you say.
Exactly.
All right
Yes.
then. So what you think? Lisa say her house not clean, her house dirty. What you think? What you think
Yeah.
about that? What you think about that?
Honestly, I don't know, you know.
You don't know, you don't
No
know.
comments.
You know mix, you know.
No.
Lisa say Nikki, Lisa say your house chaka chaka. All right, bless up here.
Okay.
Yeah
Same to
man,
you.
cool. Yeah man, cool,
Have a
cool.
great night,
Yeah
Raga.
man, you take care.
And
Blessings.
come live more often.
Come live more of a year on the love it. Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Yes, we miss you.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. All right.
Make sure. I'll be looking out.
Blessings, man. Cool, cool.
All right, good night.
Yeah, man. All right. Uh, uh, hello. Yo, the feedback heavy. Hello. Buka. 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 Turn off the TV, man. Turn off the TV. Buka, you turn off the
Yeah, hear me
TV.
now, General?
Yeah, me I hear you now. Good thing you turn off the TV. You nearly a kill you a while ago, man.
No, man, General. Years, me I want to talk to you, General.
A lie.
No, bro. Read a whole night, last night, me I said the case and can't get you.
See it there. See it there. See it there.
Yo, you remember when the diesel rate, and from them time, I say when the diesel used to give you a rate of them,
When what?
when
When did you sell what?
diesel,
Eh? Buka.
remember?
No, yeah, go in. I don't know what go on in. You're the on speakerphone, man. Buka.
Yeah, hear me now, General?
Yeah, come off a speakerphone because you're the on speakerphone.
Yeah, hold on there. General.
Quick, man, you hold up your
Alright.
show, man. You hold up your show in a Buka.
So better now?
You still have that echo something there, but go on, see, but me that thing is come off a
John,
speakerphone. But say,
I can't get through on this.
no, man. But say,
Years one time.
alright, no, but say what you say quick now. Yeah.
Yeah, one time, look, General,
Yeah,
about 22, 23.
yeah,
I have a big woman, right?
yeah. You know you're gonna keep it
I'm
clean,
saying a
right?
big
You know you're gonna keep it clean, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool. Man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So we have the big woman, right?
yeah,
And big woman say forward cross. At them time, them never know if you carry no woman them time.
yeah.
You see me?
Oh, so she said you
See,
could
so
come
man
a
go
fear
over.
yard.
Yeah,
Okay.
big mistake in a book.
Why? What happened?
So I say, so, you know, when we reach a yard, you have one road name. One, you can call road name.
Yeah, call the road name, yeah.
Alright, on Windward Road, one road named Cloverly Road.
Them I don't know Cloverly Road, man. The two road from where I live,
Alright.
man. I did over there every day. But Cloverly Road come off of East Queen Street still. And then East Queen
Yeah,
Street connect to Windward Road right after South Camp
yeah.
Road.
See
But
you
go
saying,
on. Yeah,
brother.
yeah,
I reach there, you know.
yeah,
Big man come let me in and everything, you know.
yeah.
And come out in a little 90 and thing. I'm saying, you know,
What?
it's half dead tonight, you know.
Yeah, you know it's a killings, yeah.
But when I come in the house, the first thing I notice, I see one security shoes.
What? What you mean? What is a security? What is a security
You know the
shoe?
shoes that my security and police wear, man. The hard
Um.
boot them, man.
Okay. All right. Go on. Go on.
So
Go
me
on.
I say, oh, but she no work on a security.
And she not do
And she tell me say
security.
she do. She tell me say she work on one little lawyer official, like a legal aid building.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
she wear a little stockings and a little something them. You see me?
Yeah. When she a go work, she not wear security
Yeah,
shoes. She
so me
wear her
not, me not
heels and
expect a shoes
stockings,
like
right?
that.
Yes. So weather shoes they do there.
But you see to an a woman and you just meet her and thing and you know what your face.
Yeah.
Some say someone moms come out night, you know, and
Lingerie 90 type of thing, though.
yeah, the little sexy type, man, with little butterfly thing, man.
With the what? Butterfly and what?
Yeah, little butterfly thing them in the middle, like,
You know
man.
the mig like butterfly. You know, so the message I
Dragon
send
stay
right
saying,
this. Yeah.
I'm go the first round, you know, I'm go the first round, pop, quick.
So
Me I say,
hold on. So shellings go on and thing and whatever, you pop
yeah,
off.
but pop, quick the
You
first
pop
one.
quick the first round and thing. So them
So me
time
I
that the
say,
90 fling went on and all these things,
yeah,
don't.
man, everything,
Oh.
no, underneath, just
Nothing, no
six and
shellings and go on and thing and
So,
go
we stay so now, boom, now, I'm going in the bathroom, go recuperate, to get a cool water. I'm looking at the bathroom on the top part where you like, you put the shower gel and something them. You see
yeah.
a gun holster.
You see? Well, so what you say when you go in at the bathroom now for bill back for round 2, and which part the thing that
Ask her some water and
yeah.
act like one pee because you shame some puppy.
So you pop off quick and thing, yeah.
Yeah, so me I pull the style now and see watching.
Yeah.
I use bathroom and show me what the bathroom.
Yeah.
I'm going in the bathroom, brother.
Mm.
No, I'm gun holster.
It's a gun holster up there, so. Ja, no.
That's crazy.
Mm.
Where's it from a little bit and I eat? No, made that.
You know, man, yeah.
I see it, but nah.
Yeah, you know, make it detract from the mission at hand, yeah.
So I go so now and go back in the room and round 2 again and
so you go back and shell down round 2 and round 2 did longer now, don't?
Yeah, man, cause round so round and one corner I dry on the bed edge round so and them place there everywhere I put it.
Boom, but voila, you do the bed edge style and whatever, you carry right at the bed edge and thing. And then
yeah, man, who for one this, you know?
Who for one this?
Call my name.
Call my name and all them something and thing. I saw you deal with the big man, my youth.
Yeah,
John.
So,
yeah.
when I done round 2 now and see, you know, and boom, now and see how feel like a man.
Yeah, cause you build back, you know, from the early pop off. Yeah.
I say, oh,
yeah.
feel for your next round. So I say, oh, anything right.
Well, on, after round 2, she said she want her next round again.
Yeah.
John, no, the big man did ready. Yeah, go through.
So, see, so now I wanna recuperate and me beat 2 dragon and 2 guns and did it easy and watch 2 TV and
yeah.
You know, cause we have the time for when. Cause me I say, oh, supposed to reach home about 8, 9 o'clock and I go after 40, see me?
Yeah. Okay, I
So
did thing. Yeah.
So me I chill.
Mm.
So one time she did it on her phone and easy, you know. I'm gonna see her the door shake off. But this is sound like a knocking, this sound like a somebody will have key.
Yeah.
Cause the grill up, cause you have a grill for come inside on the veranda and one next grill. What's the door? So, but normally people come and people hear them knock.
Precisely, which is right.
But me, I pulling this me a year ago and now.
Yeah, pulling. Whoever come and pull the grill and I go pull the door, yeah.
And the person that sing, I got that day. You can't steal it.
Voila. The person who open the grill and come in and bust big tune and sing big tune.
Yeah.
Nah, man.
Girl, I got that day. Oh, I can't steal it.
Yeah, I will sing that song there again.
My old song, man.
No, man, it's an old tune, man. Somebody are gonna post it. Somebody are gonna post it, man.
Yeah, somebody find it.
Anyway,
yeah.
so
yeah, see somebody's a reggaeton there.
yeah, Kel Boot, Altanelli sitting on it and whatever. Anyway, yeah.
So
I can't be there. Yeah, go on, yeah.
So must get someone draw for my shots. Come here, see you. Just you. So me I say to her, say, oh, what that? She ask you, a night chief in them same depan. So me say, what do you mean?
What you say about night shift? What you say about night shift?
She say, yo, she only thing she say out there about say, yo, in them say a night shift in depan.
Oh. So what you would do now?
So me don't need that.
And?
So me say, so no, me run go around at the washing, which part of the washing machine part? One washing machine they run on one part.
Well, you didn't pick up your clothes?
No, just my shorts alone.
I just your shorts. So you didn't have on your shorts?
No, me have a draft it.
You draft your shorts. I just your shorts
Yeah,
alone and you run a back run and watch me.
Yeah.
Okay, and then one.
And him they don't know run at the next part. And near to talking a one. You see me?
So where your clothes there?
My clothes there in the room when me have sort out.
Oh, so any
pants there, so shirt they run there, so come here. Man a yard style me and you can still say, oh, she not a man.
Oh, okay. So go on talk now, yeah. And then
so they run and washing machine and she come around there and still everything good, man. No, then she say I'm not for work myself for it. So me be me, I'm not for work. No, I'm on that me here. She say I'm cool, man. Come on, I rub me down and kiss me up on my neck and them something there. Me I say, bitch, walk on. Me get violent. Come here, see yo. I'm gonna take care of him because first thing them tell us, you know, we know how to read on inside there bad man place.
yeah, you have certain body area off of Windward Road. Which part Clover Valley Road where you have the machine there? Yeah, go on talk. Yeah.
And I be a zinc fence, when I use them something there.
Yeah, some zinc fence there for Clover Valley Road, yeah.
So me see so yo. What do you mean by everything good? This can't right.
So you ever get to the point now, so how it go down?
So she tell me say, oh, him always like them something here, like special yes. And he need to sit down and watch.
Voila. Wait, so when she tell her say the man come in and whatever, all this time
So
the man
still
still
this come like a one hearty party.
one orgy party. So all this time when she tell her that the man still out there in her living room or somewhere down. And
So
then
we
now
need-
she tell us say him like them something, them like watch and
Yeah,
them
we
thing.
not for worry about it, cause him like them something there.
Dog, you know, she set you up.
So well I know. See so one cause me a get like confident in myself, like although me a shaking but me a push up my chest make you know say yo. No, you see me?
Yeah.
So see so I'm go around in a rich part of the room you know. Cause me the rich part of the washing machine there. I'm go around you know. My boy in my underpants and socks. So me say not a blood.
Yeah.
No, sorry.
Yeah,
So me say not a ratty what.
Yeah.
So I start get loud and voice I say, calm down, Joe. God, me not name Joe in the book. They don't know.
Yeah.
Calm down, Joe.
Jano is a P.D. the free calf she didn't want to put by you. Yo, you're lucky them ever back out 2 big backla baby aisle. So we say, oh, you go.
The man look, when the man stand up, the man look about 6'5", 6'6", so.
Jano.
And me about 5'6" or 5. So me I said, this don't look like a war, me can win.
Yeah.
So if anything, you know, I go fling one stab and jump off anything about no back, no me I look the no back when I did that 1 way in 1 way out.
Yeah.
So me I say, oh, be gonna roll them way, you know.
Mm.
See, I think these young guys were very spontaneous. We say, yeah, we do certain things, but they on that party.
No,
Uh-uh.
No,
So we have to say
you
something.
can't have that 6'5" sicky there. You know, next thing you know, him go tell you, say you for turn around and all them thing down, whatever. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
say
that
no,
on a
say yo,
your
woman say
speed.
yo. Only thing woman say to me, yo, you think you can just my wife belly like that and just feel like I saw it go.
And that him said to you?
Yeah. So me, I say big man, what you mean?
No, so how it end? How it end up though? How it end up though?
Me have to take on myself.
So, but no, tell me how you take for yourself.
So when him said that to me now, my line up the lotion. You see me? So me I say if anything, I beat the lotion and just move to the door if anything and anything.
No, well, I don't understand nothing what you just say a while ago, you know.
You see, well on, so him said to me, say, I think I can just beat up my wife belly bottom so.
Yeah.
Yeah, my reach at the dresser and my size up the lotion. And look at lotion up on the dresser.
Yeah, but
So I reach with the lotion when I actually buckle him.
what you mean as a weapon?
Yeah, that's the only thing me have. My underpants
No,
and the lotion.
Voila. So you say when you get scared
Yeah,
and Mr. 6'5" man there in there, right?
yeah.
And you get scared. And you turn around and look for weapon, and the weapon where you see is a buckle of lotion. Listen to me now. Me don't know what happened there, you know, but I can tell you, you know, given what you explained to me tonight, that lotion is the last thing me I take up in a car. Me don't want no confusion. Well, but not this year, nothing in a dog. But just I say, if me go on a mission, see, and me and me so and so, I go so boom and a man come in and the man I say, oh, you think you can come just jump up in a my woman belly so and him in a underpants and socks and whatever. I mean I know what if that boy I could have want come move to me and come tell me about me for Ben. Listen to me. The last thing me I touch right there is the lotion. In fact, me I kick with the lotion, you know. Me don't want the lotion near me. Cause me don't want that guy go say, what you? He might draw for the lotion, you see it, him. Hey, you see when you say lotion, you confuse me, no dog. Cause me I say, how will you reach the lotion for?
So, I see so no, I line it up and see, alright, then thing me I just beat it and run.
You gotta beat him with the lotion.
No, but just have to fling it and run. Cause this is not a fight that me can win.
It's not a fight where you can't win. So you gotta lick him down with the lotion and run.
Just, see,
Me
so I'm
not
saying,
lie, you know, dog. That just sound weird, you know. It just like, no, me I keep it 100 with you, you know. It sound weird. It's like, yo, me not know nothing with this, you know. A guy come near me, I licking on your face with a lotion. No, yeah, like something that sound. But anyway, you manage to put on your clothes and
so
get
I
up.
beat the lotion and just run off.
Yeah.
So I reach pan we know how to road. Me in my underpants and barefoot pan we know how to road. Take left my clothes. I reach, me have to reach out with a road named Elliston Road. Turn down Elliston Road. I reach a return right on Water Street. Yes, sir. I saw come reach over here, I have two people I know over one yard. I saw come get one shot to bar. And on top for bar, I saw come reach on my yard.
You
Yeah, I'm gonna
serious?
lose
You
life.
serious?
Me take Winward Road, Elliston Road. Turn right, this is where GP this up on the road there, moving over the road in. And turn from one yard, you know, say two people over there, sir. And I want them dog them in one shot. Put on and one marina. And I suck up me for reach on my yard. From that day there, I never go back on one woman yard. Never.
Dangerous thing that man
Dangerous. So,
nowadays, man. I mean, you say a thing, you know, where there's a bunch of things that me used to say to my brethren them and them used to laugh off of me back in the day.
Yeah, man, you go sleep, man.
Well, and one of them is me tell them say, yo, me stop go woman yard. Because there was this whole thing a going, you see on the internet, man I go woman yard and man come and kill them. You know? Or you go woman yard and woman set up camera and the camera tape you when you go on with the something with them and all them thing there, whatever, you know. So that thing the man fi say, yo, just don't go woman yard, man. A real thing you talk, man. You know?
Never, man, tell any young youth no. Never you take up yourself and go on woman here.
And go on a
If I
woman,
even
yeah.
for rent for a hotel.
No, if it's even
No
to
go
go
there.
out in the woods and make sure hug a tree. Right? Not going to our yard. Okay. All right. Big
Yo,
up
big up in a
yourself here.
father.
All right, man. It goes some man. See? Blessings. Cool. All right, people. Whoops. You know, so when man can reach a 40,000, right? Follow me now. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Watch out, 1,000 now. So I will pound come in a while. I got 20 facts. Me see, you know, my friend. Facts, you know, so yesterday me I say, you know, so me not check in for my picnic. Yesterday me I say, me need for call, you know. Me need for call you, you know. All right. Everybody who over here, who no follow me yet, follow me now. Man. We'll see if we can reach a 40,000 in the night. All right? I'm going in a second because I Wally Pound come in, you know, say 1,000 I only did it and things. So anybody who no follow me yet, follow me now tonight. Follow me now, right now, right now, right now, right now, right now. If you watch a show, follow me right now. Follow me right now. We'll see if we can reach a 40,000 in the night, you know? All right. You know if I want me to leave? And they are juggle CM, you know? We not have no show tomorrow, yeah? Some of them want to know vex. All right, what's that? The thing? Full up! Greetings.
Good night.
Good night.
Why, man, say he come a far away.
We not hear you, you know. Where you
Um,
depend? Where you depend?
oh, you know, yeah.
Yeah, you're lower body, you know. So you depend earpiece or Bluetooth. People on the call if you don't depend earpiece or Bluetooth or speakerphone. Come on for that, yeah?
Sorry. I hold on, miss you.
Hello?
Hear me now?
Oh, we're hearing you crystal clear now. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, me just did one big up still, because me I say we are come a far away with technology.
Oh, see?
Remember back in the days in that 2008 when me used to hide in our corner of my workplace, you know.
Mm.
Without you at daytime is like, it's like my day can't go on.
Give
And I
thanks.
just laughing alone to hear when I work so many times when you laugh and I say you drop off my chair. It's like me I laugh out to drop off of my chair too, you know. Cause your laughing is so contagious and me I say, why? But look how technology make you actually can see brother now.
You see, you can't see me now. Them days that when me a fight and a war with the broadcasting commission
With
for
the
radio.
rest of Cardell Green you say.
Uh-huh.
CG. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But then I four where I come from, brother.
Yeah, man, 2008. That's what? That's 17 years ago. Think about
A
that.
long time, yes.
Yeah.
I remember when we go marketplace when I think them time they had migrate with a migrating. And you say all the Tambourine family if you come meet up of a marketplace up at New Kingston.
Up at New Kingston, right?
Up at New Kingston and find myself there. But me never really talk to you, so me only that look for your comments. You know?
Right.
It look like I hate this, you know, I gotta go away and stuff. And you did go away for true, you know,
Oh, me go,
because you don't
me,
get a fight.
yeah, me da for breeze them and them did not take it too serious after some people, certain people did not take it too serious and some people in
Yeah.
the street call me and say, yo, them a pre so and so and so. And me I say, really I this them gone with it and me say, you sure? And them I say, yeah, because certain man in the street will do certain things.
Mm-hmm.
You know, them link me and say, dog, you know, say some people are check round for get people for do so to you. So me I said, nah man, that I can't try. And him I said, dog, you know what me do, don't I? I said, yeah, me know what you do. Then I said, then I saw it reach me. I mean I tell you. I mean I said when my sister them gone, I say them gone. Cause Jamaica one cool place, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, man.
Yeah.
So when my sister I say them gone, I mean I say, and then I go war them, I go war them on that level too, and you know. Me just I say, you know, boom, you know. And I say, you know, I make me breeze them, you know. And I saw, me never too loud up certain things still, but I saw me just say, all right, I eat that because me have my back if do would have defend me, you know, but that
Yeah.
would have require me to live certain way in a Jamaica where me just never want, you know, in terms of to protect your head back. You understand what I say?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why me breeze the place and I say, well, I eat that. Me I come up here, you know, because them did start take a thing too serious, man. And you know, say, the people them who did that do that, me Ragashanti, with them always a beat say me gay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Me no gay, no, but them ever beat me say Raga gay. You know, say a gay people later do that. I hire people for move to me because them say me homophobic and hate gay people.
But you never said like that, brother, cause you did
They
neutral. I mean, you talk to everybody, you interview everybody. Everybody
Everybody could
talk.
have called my show, and when
Yeah.
my show was the only show, the gay people them call and I make them talk.
Yeah.
Yeah,
True.
you understand and whatever. So it's like me did I get beaten from both sides, you know. One over here so I say me and this that I'm not. Then them same people over here so I said me homophobic. You know what them did I get stupid about? You remember when Twins of Twins did come out with that thing there where them I say, you know, say yeah wobble. Remember that thought there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All
Wobble.
right.
Yeah.
But
Everybody that run with it.
yeah, and that talk that they take off. It take off like a cartel talk, you know. Everybody did that say. But it was the meaning was broadened to mean like, you know, say you move mucky or whatever, you know, say say you wobble or whatever. But it did really start to say, you know, say you act like you're going like you're gay. But
Mm-hmm.
anyway, everybody did I use wobble. And somebody a pinch me and I tell me, say, "Ah, now I'm meeting now, them have to say what them are gonna do about me. Them say me not good for be a homophobia me up on the radio with and whatever and thing because this thing about wobble. That's when them I tell me, I say, you serious? And them and she say, yeah. Them did that talk. So when you were talk about wobble, that is homophobic and thing. So you see when my sister gets so stupid and
Mm-hmm.
you know Jamaica, people
Yeah.
dead for stupidness.
True.
Right. And it not take nothing for somebody go give somebody $100 for go this and that somebody else. And what. So you see if I see it there so now and then me have some relative and family, they had no right you know.
Yeah.
Them, you know, and then me have people who me grew up amongst who, you know, who me take care of. You understand? Probably
Mm-hmm.
I look a bit now, whatever. So me know say any of them go all know certain things, them are gonna start preach certain way, you know? For protect me or for impress me or for something. So if I reach something, I just say, all right, I breeze them, you know. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's something really breeze because it got really, really silly and stupid, you know.
Why? I don't even do. But if they are seeing me and we they are seeing me are tuning in and stuff, you know.
Bless up
I go and
yourself,
listen.
man. All right. And respect for the
All right.
ailments and the support over the years and all these
Yeah,
things. All
man.
right.
Way back.
All right then. Cool, cool, cool.
All right.
Protection. Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah. All right, man. Let's see. All right, people. We're gonna reach a 40,000 tonight. Tell me. We're gonna reach a 40,000 tonight. Cause we need what you after 10 o'clock now, you know. I have to go low it out, yeah? Like two more, I'm a god. Two more I'm a cut. Two more I'm a cut. And now I eat nothing late in the night or two, you know, because I want to cut out that late eating something, you know. That person not going through one more. Hello? 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 Person connect. Them now answer again. Hello? Alright. Nah answer. Hello? Hello? Ah. Papa. Hello? 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 Connect. Nah answer again. What them people do? Them just send the request and them and do them one thing. Hello?
Raga,
Greetings.
what go on, man?
There, you know. What you say?
Long time in a year, say you migrate
Eh?
out of the world.
How that go?
If you say you migrate out of the world a long time in a year, Ragashanti.
Well, me been there about, you know, you just never know when me there, you know. But me do over YouTube, I do lives all these
All
years.
right, my boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we just want you big up the world, you know, big up the people, them. Let them know, say, the Savior come back soon, but then prepare for meet him.
The Savior coming back soon, meaning who?
Jesus Christ.
Okay. It's coming back soon.
Your man ain't coming soon. We hear long time say him a come.
Okay. So, I mean, can you give us a sense?
So
Like,
we
look,
just have to prepare to
hold
meet
on,
him.
hold
We
on, hold
can't
on,
just
hold on. Do you
sit
have like,
down on the
hold on,
island.
hold on. We are reason and attack, you know. So, you have like a look at timeline. You have like any idea when it might happen, like how soon? Eh?
Repeat.
No, I said, do you have like a timeline? Like, you know, you say soon, but like, what is soon? Like, how soon you think? To the best of your ability, like, how soon you think this could happen?
Well, you see, the thing is, you know, him coming like a thief in the night.
Right. So when him comes soon, it going to be a thief in the
So
night. But
all
I'm
we need
saying,
to do prepare
no.
to
So what
meet
I'm
him.
saying is, you have any idea? If you don't have an idea, that's fine. But what I'm saying, do you have any idea, like how soon you think? You think, like, if you were to guess how soon it would be, about when?
It's not about guessing, Raga.
No, no, but I'm
Him
asking
said
you.
prepare.
I
We
know,
just have
but
to prepare.
no, but you use the word soon. We all know what soon mean. It means imminent. It's about to happen. So me
Well,
just
how soon you and I don't know, but all we need to do prepare.
no, I get the preparation. But if we don't know, then it can't be soon. That makes sense? If
All we need to do look at the sign.
no, no,
Because he said when you see the sign and we don't want more sign.
no, hold on. When me used to go Sunday school, you did have one song. Listen to the song now. Signs of the time are everywhere, and there's a bright noon, a feeling in the
And there's a grand
air. Lift
new
your
feeling
eyes
in the
upon the eastern
air.
skies.
Your
Lift up
eyes
your heads.
upon the
Redemption
eastern
draw it nigh.
sky.
Right.
Lift up your head. Redemption
Draw
draweth
it nigh.
nigh.
Okay, phone. So what I'm saying to you now, is that so from me little bit, me, you hear soon, right? From me little bit. And even before me, you hear soon. So I am not disputing, what you're saying, I'm just saying perhaps people who are saying these things that soon, only need to think about it some more. Because if you don't know when God is coming, then you can't be telling people soon. Because you don't know. That makes sense? Eh?
Well, Raga, the big man say, him coming back, behold, I go.
Yeah.
And if I go, I will come again.
Right, right. That, yes, the Bible does say that. Right. But you don't know when God going to come though, so you can't say soon.
So all we need to do,
It's prepare.
huh?
It's prepare.
Just prepare
Right, right.
because he is coming.
Right, right. Okay. That's understandable. That, that makes sense. There's a logic to that. All right. Blessings, man. But big up yourself, where you call it? Which part you hail from?
Blessing Raga, blessing Raga.
Now, where you hail from?
And repeat that.
No, where are you calling in from? Where are you checking in from? Where are you right now?
Okay, I'm checking in from Westmoreland, Raga.
All right, big up all Westmoreland, Linky, Grange and Savon, the whole works, large upon yourself. All right, all right,
And I want you to big up the Seventh Day Adventist Church all over.
all right. Then big up the SDA. Yeah. All right.
Big up yourself, Raga.
Yeah, man. Respect and blessings, man. Protection. Yeah, you find that sometimes people they espouse a certain doctrine and they didn't think it out. You have people they say all these things and they admonish others and them draw up other people and they can be pressing and even aggressive sometimes that you need to so and so. But when you press them, you find that they didn't really think about what they're saying to you that you should do, or criticizing you or admonishing you that you need to do something that they haven't thought out properly. They end up just parroting something that was said to them. They replicate it and they reproduce it uncritically, right? Soon means soon. And a lot of people of faith, they have been abusing the term soon. He says, it's better you say prepare for the coming of the Lord. That makes sense, because you know not when. That makes sense. There's a logic to that. Stay prepared because you never know when it's going to happen. That makes sense. But when they say soon, right, instilling a sense of urgency in you, or when they say you don't see the signs of the times, right? And Jamaicans do this all the time. Jesus, God, look on the wickedness we're going. God soon come for him world. Right? Jamaicans do this a lot. God see that God soon come for him world. Right? And they've been doing this forever. Soon come. Soon. Right? Imminence. Not eminence, imminent. Imminently, God will come or whatever. Soon. Anyway, I just took the opportunity there to engage in a bit of an intellectual exercise there. But most of the time, I leave, just so you know, I don't go around and argue with people about these things. I don't, I'm doing this show, so every now and then, I kind of traverse in that domain for a little bit. And then, but I don't stay there long. All right. Nobody now answer that one. Then let me see. go leave, you know, because go to 40,000 tonight. If you're watching the show right now, follow me. And you know, follow me yet. Follow me right now. Make sure you start following me right now. Senna. All right. Good night.
Bless Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, I just listen to my brother there a while ago, and I said, damn, because the man answer the question we are asking. I want to do me echo when me talk to you.
Huh?
When me speak to you, my voice will echo back to you. You know what that?
Are you on the earpiece?
No.
Speakerphone?
No, I'm not on the speakerphone. You know what that?
I don't know. You're not on Bluetooth, right?
No.
Somebody says slide down the screen, something like that, you know.
Okay.
When you have an echo, is that you're hearing the show and you're hearing back yourself, so your voice is looping. So that is the echo.
Okay.
All right.
So what myself a draw on the screen? Me I try to draw it down, but not come now.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. There's a way to do it though. Most people who call don't get the echo, so I don't know how to do it. Yeah.
At the first me I get it.
Huh?
At the first me I get it. Come talk. Make my voice a talk back after.
Yeah. I don't know. Probably have to ask somebody how to do it because I'm not sure what to say to you. You know.
Yeah.
All right.
But anyway, I try so I can talk to you still.
Wait there 1 second.
Yeah.
Espacio publicitario, diseño, tejidos, por si alguien le interesa. IG Deco Tejidos. Okay. No, it's just somebody advertising something over here in Spanish, so I was wondering what was going on. Yeah. So we asked, you know?
Yeah, no, me I say, I will tell you just like the pastor. I will tell you, say, if you not accept Jesus, when you pass off, you go hell.
Right.
And me I look and say, when I one pass off, them never come back, come say nothing.
When somebody pass?
I never send back nothing to you or me if say, stay when them pass, because the pastor, more time, when him interpret it, him say it like, well then, somebody come tell him how they throw stay. He might tell you, say, oh God, hell if you not praise Jesus, if you not praise Jesus.
Right.
I feel like give life to Jesus.
Right.
See?
Right.
So, and then me look again, the next song when them sing, and the next song when them sing, say, hurry up, get ready to go.
Yeah.
You know that song there?
Yeah,
man. The pastor, the pastor shopping.
Yeah.
He must shopping. He must tell the member forget ready to go home to heaven. But he must buy a new car, he must buy a new suit. Why he buy up all them things? If them depend years to go home to heaven, he must plan to go home to heaven to them.
Oh, so yeah, say if the pastor say soon and hurry up and whatever, but the pastor living a comfortable life of leisure. You're saying that the pastor is not is not living a life where there is that urgency and that hurry.
If not depend on hurry, I remember alone him tell for depend on hurry.
I remember. All right then. Missy said the thing I rough you up and thing. Just talk to somebody and so you can figure out how to talk without it to echo, yeah?
Yeah, it can't echo.
Yeah. All right. But yeah, be hear your point though, yeah?
Yeah, man, bless.
Yeah, man, respect. Cool. Well, can we make it to the 40,000 tonight? Follow me. If you watch a show, you know, follow me yet. Follow me right now. Follow me right now.
Night, Raga.
Good night. What go on?
Lucy Mama there.
Lucy Mama, what you say? What go do?
Well, I want mix up figure one time when I didn't want security, man. I want fisherman.
Yeah.
Anyway, me and the security man first did attack.
Yeah.
So he moving some man things in my yard.
Yeah.
So after me meet the fisherman now, fisherman money a run good.
Fisherman money up.
So me no make the fisher. Yeah, me no make the fisherman know say boy me live with a man, you know.
Yeah.
So when the security gonna work at night time now, and the fisherman come, me take the security man close them and put them in. At that time, me did have one barrel. So me put in close them in the barrel.
Yeah.
Raga,
Yeah.
one man when he come in from work, he said to me, say, I want me close them there. So me said, they in the barrel because them harbor too much mosquito.
But
So he said to me, say, so what I'm to feed the picnic, because me have the picnic them uniform hang up. So he say, so oh, what I'm to do the picnic uniform them, oh, they not put me.
he,
So I say, look here, probably the cologne you have for your clothes. They attract the mosquito them.
Jesus, peace,
So Raga,
Missy
me have one little stall.
eh.
Because I live near roadside. So
Yeah.
anyway,
Yeah.
every day the fisherman pass boat at the 12 o'clock. So the security man at night shift in this when he come in, he eat up at the stall with me. So you see, every time Raga when time they make become 12 o'clock,
Yeah.
I find something, tell him say, he come down in the yard because me can't make the fisherman pass and see him.
I'm gonna say sicky
I
next
mean,
to his
now make him
star.
stop my food, Raga.
Nah, make him stop your food, don't. Right.
Raga, when at night time when the fisherman they are the house with me, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and security they call me not answer. You see, anytime the fisherman gone,
Yeah.
he take time and me call me and say, hello, yeah, babes. You know some people may just wake up people and me say much me can fry you.
You just wake up and see the miss call them from him, though.
Must call them from him every night I want me do him Raga.
Yeah.
So anyway now, security kinda they say no man. It's not right. We want make every time when they catch 12 o'clock at daytime. You want me go down in the yard.
Yeah. Him start pick up, say something,
Something not
yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Something not right. Raga, I make a piece of fuss with him thing go on the yard.
You just start war with him, don't.
Yeah, me start make worry him thing go on yard, man, because on the weekend now, because security now on weekend, you know. And
Right.
fisherman have to come on weekend night, so me have to make fuss with him thing go on the yard.
Oh, okay. So you never afraid
Then
security
I want
just
to mix up now.
no well you never afraid
No man,
like
that security that idiot, Raga. And you want to know Raga in love him belly. Because night time when him go when him left for even time go and work.
uh-huh.
When him come in a morning time now, him
Mm.
see bread, hatches, egg, all them they sitting there.
So
And him they come in and they look out and then your mind don't know where he come from.
and him don't know where the food come from.
No, no, where he come from, because him left in the night and when him come in the morning, so the supermarket now open. So when me get it from I now asking just then
Him just send your man but him a mind you so him just figure say you buy the food at some point.
but the fisherman money no for because fisherman take care of me more.
Yeah, but me say in a sicky
So me
mind
couldn't make the sick.
in a sicky mind the little money when him a give you even do it more a little bit than the fisherman money. Him thinks that you are stretching money and and a feed him good.
Yeah, because
But
me have a stall. So him
no,
piece of the stall money and fee money.
him feeds you the style money and fee money, so that's why him not too pressure it, you know. So
But
so
me have to move him up, man.
no, but why you did that for move him up? Why?
Because in kind of they pick up Raga me can't make the fisherman know say me have a man live with them and the fisherman money sweeter.
Oh, so when Sicky start going and thing, you have to just Lego Sicky then because fisherman money
Yeah, me
trying.
have to go sicky man, sicky have to go on the yard, man.
Cause at the tranga money I do it though. At the tranga money I
The
do it.
changa money they do it.
The tranga money they do it.
Anyway, Raga, me have one figure with my baby father.
Say now.
Me and him there for about 7 years. We have 3 picnic. So anyway, he fall a friend and he find no man and he diss me. Raga me stress out and everything, you know, stress out and everything.
Wow.
So after me get over boy now. Boy start to call me phone 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the night, they ask me pitney. So me say the pitney them gone at them bed where you call them hours and start torment me rag and you want to sort out.
Mm.
So me say to him, say, imagine say, me and you went there, I mean not do you nothing. And you left me for next woman, I know you want me to come on side burn and me say nah go work out.
Wait. You tell him say you and him when you and him did that, you know do what?
Me, me never do him nothing and
Oh,
he
you
left
never
me
do
for
him
next
nothing.
woman, I know me want to come turn in a side girl and I go work.
Nah, go work if him come turn in a
Raga,
side guy. Yeah.
the man vex and can me go a family court.
For what?
Say he want back half of everything because say the house I'm living in and did help me with the house and want back half of everything.
But
So
him,
anyway, we never
but
get to
hold
go in
on, but
front
him
of the
picking them
judge.
live there.
Here we joke no raga. I did like where that like the mediation man we go to.
Mediator.
So when time my man said to me say, read out one when me come down there first. So me say to him, say, sir, me and him there for much years, you know. And everything he give me take back. The only thing you know take back are the two pitney them. So he asked me, say, boy, why you having at the house? So he go and me tell him everything. So he have him say, who the pitney then live with? Me say me. So he say, if you should go in front of the judge, your half would consider for the kids them. Rather boy not satisfied. Boy go on and go on so till he say, all right, a weekend time him go take the pitney them. The girl wants say him now go in there. Only the boy they go. So every weekend me carry the boy want go meet him at workplace. Because part in work then they give him somewhere to live. Raga boy the bother me fi start out, you know. Me say alright and me have the woman number, the woman and this me for. Raga me a girl, me no wear frock nor skirt. And one weekend me carry the pitney down there, me wear one skirt. So me ask him say me can use him bathroom. He say yes. Raga me take off the panty what me have on. And he have a VO5 clear shampoo there. And me take the cloth and kind of wipe in the panty seat, see raga, and put it underneath in my trash. And me call the woman me left them, me sorry. The man where the galang so far. Me and him this done sort out and one wine do me say, if you think alive, me they tell me say, go on a yard and go lift up in my trash and keep on see the pink and yellow panty under there.
Jesus.
Raga, like when the woman reach and call me.
Hold on.
Dirty girl.
Wait, hold on now. So the panty was pink and yellow,
Yes, Raga, one pink and yellow panty.
and you rub look like the VO5 shampoo in it to make
The
it look
shampoo in my
to make
panty
it look
seat there.
like a little thick moist thing did in
Discharge, yes,
this.
Raga.
Well, I know you call her now and beat her and send her up so she can
And tell her,
find
say, if you go look on the car, me and the man, this done sort
this
out. And when
done.
the man no do, me tell her, say, the man do.
All what him not do, she tell her say, tell me in a code where you tell her
So, like, when
say,
the woman reach in that
well,
room and they push
no
Raga, him
man.
call me, pa.
Wait, no, well, no man. Tell me in a code where you tell her say him do what him not do.
I tell him, say, he the forbidden standard.
Listen to me now. So well, you call a woman and tell a woman saying full in belly, no?
Yeah. Raga,
Yeah.
you see, when the woman reach like you man, they angry, me call me, dirty girl. Me and you, me say, yes. And me start talk up some things because me realize that the phone pan speaker. So me know say one the woman knows that he knows all I me tell, but me sing him.
Oh,
Raga
so
from
him
that day
call now and
until today,
expect
me say eat me like a dose of poison.
him call if you deny it and whatever, but when him ask you and whatever, you say
Deny, but
yes,
me
we
just,
do it. Yes, we
me
do it.
not deny.
Jesus.
Me say
Yep.
from that Raga eat me. So you wicked girl. You wicked girl.
Wow, you fix him good
Me say
right there.
never pass back in place with me again, Raga,
Him
from
no
me doing
bother you,
so.
him no bother you for juju after that, though. Him no bother you for no look at
No,
juju.
Raga.
No pressure you anymore and all them. So what about him? Him did follow up with the court thing. Him never bother with the court thing either.
No, him never follow up with friend and tell him, say, boy, if he have to go towards the pitney them.
Okay. Yeah, no, but him then him no should have known say you Lucy Mama, you're not play man. Then from him there with him, not supposed to that know that man say you're cool
I will
man.
for wicked things me do the boy the Raga. Whole for wicked things. I'm afraid I'm like a post. Remember one time Raga, in, one girl used to call him phone.
Mm-hmm.
But in work at one high school, like him at the farm and man from the school.
When you say
So
him,
him a
you
tell me
mean
say him and the
hold
girl in
on.
the but
When you say him, you refer to the girl or him?
the baby father, no, the baby father, him a
Oh,
one
okay.
farm and man high school him work.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So one girl ever that call him phone Raga.
Mm-hmm.
And him a tell me say man the girl no there, but me never believe him.
Mm-hmm.
So one day me and him did it and him don't have the phone they take up eggs. And me see the girl they ring the phone.
Mm-hmm.
So me no answer it. After that now me make sure say we put the TV on what the hospital, general hospital show.
Yeah.
Raga me call back in number and she answer me say hello. This is Nurse Johnson. I'm calling from the Newell's Home Hospital. And we have a patient coming and he's unconscious and unable to give his name. And this was the last missed call we see, so I want to get in contact with some family member, girlfriend, mother, and something there. Raga, so now the girl go say, me, I'm friend. I'm girlfriend, I'm so and so and so. So me say, okay. So Raga, after me hang up the phone, when me look, me see phone start, they ring all different number, they call him phone. But me not say nothing to him.
Mm-hmm.
So Raga, when he come and he see for miss call him, and when he call back, he post the last number when he see. I like the person say, like you know, say, so Kim not this call me. Say hospital call him, say, you come in and unconscious and they don't know what do.
Mm-hmm.
Raga the whole school they call him down, teacher, principal, everybody. They
Mm.
call him down because they yes unconscious.
Right. So them a call for check for sure for go look
Check
for
for
him
him,
or check
Raga. So
for him.
when time he go me say, girl, make you wicked so. So me say, boy, I me know in life. So me never believe say man the girl never did, so me have to trick him.
Yeah. And then what she did admit it though, so them did involve, correct?
No, she said she and him not there. Like man said she go at the school like she in a sixth farm.
Oh, okay. I look a girl. I look a picnic.
So she has said in girlfriend name and she call my name.
Oh, so
So look if I see that the name there on the phone.
he was telling you the truth then.
Yeah, did I tell me truth with that girl there?
With a girl there. Okay. Well, at least you're admitting it here that he was telling the truth. So you kind of overstepped.
Reggae, if you're listening, I know we find out. With the part with the man with the woman when time when she can put the panty under her bed.
Oh, the part there, I'm going to find out what the part there. Because here you finally admit it,
Yeah, we
right?
find out that. The woman will find out. Him, but him, you know, but deep down in himself, he knows say nothing never go on, but him can't tell the woman say nothing never go on. Because the woman see the panty underneath the bed. It's true.
Yeah, and the panty well moist up and wet up there, so. You understand?
Yeah, Raga, the pink and yellow panty under the man.
Yeah. She must mad about him for say, him go do the little eat mensch, like him go face up to the matter, All right, Lucy Mama, big up yourself, You're sampling, boo. Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
Raga.
Bless up yourself, here. Cool.
All right.
Yeah, man. 38,896. Ratted. All right. If you're over here, I ain't follow me yet. Follow me now. Follow me. Follow me right now. See, man, when me see me, I'm going. When I want OD with the thing, Hello. Follow me right now.
Good night.
Good night.
How are you?
So I'm good. I'm not telling a lie. Like, I'm proper good right now, My life's, my life sort out and things are going for me. I'm good and I give thanks, Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Just listen to the lady and I laugh.
Eh?
Just listen to the lady and I laugh.
See it there?
So,
Yeah.
me, there with one man.
Yeah.
Me don't call him King Lion.
Did I call him King Lion?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Lion is super earth.
Yeah.
So one Saturday night, him call me and I say, boy Dev, me I work late tonight, you know.
Yeah.
I'm in do AC work.
Yes, okay.
But yeah. But him call me after 8, the Saturday night.
Right.
And I go tell me, say, him I go buy material. So me never paid no mind at the time. Come here, say, trim life. Anyway, him hang up.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, when me think about it, me say then a week hardware open after 8 in a night. Anyway, one night, him have a godson
Mm-hmm.
where he treat him like he's his son.
Mm-hmm.
So the baby calls him mommy and call him daddy.
Yeah.
So him always like the baby the phone.
Yeah.
So one night think up and give the baby the phone now. The baby put on the phone and pick up her next phone and I watch.
Mm-hmm.
So in the room dark, so I go lie down. So I feel the phone, think of my phone and take it up.
Mm-hmm.
I look my sister, I feel him phone.
Uh-huh.
So what it? This sweet man,
Mm-hmm.
phone unlocked.
Talk look
Anyway,
faster, here. Talk look faster,
anyway,
yeah. Mm-hmm.
going at the phone, we are see some people message where my look woman a foreign or something.
Mm-hmm.
One of the message them know would be like, say one of a friend named Sharon and one named June.
Mm-hmm.
So him would not look Sharon, but Sharon and June are friend.
Mm-hmm.
So June I tell him, say, don't make Sharon know, say, me and you talk, you know. So hear him no, so me can't do that. You mad? Mash up with friendship. So basically, I'm looking to woman name.
Mm-hmm.
So me
Mm-hmm.
go through some more message. So me see one message, one girl, I said, say, what go on? Say, I said, nothing. So she say, beg you $200 credit, no? But him not answer.
Mm-hmm.
So me not do nothing more than me answer. So me say, you beg too much. I'm block her. So me I say, Ratty, don't you see that the message you know? She supposed to have put out in class. But she
Mm-hmm.
can't call him. She can't message him. Because guess what? Me block her. So she now have no means of way to get in touch with him. And poor thing you know said all night me then at the phone. I look and read messages like it's a book
Mm-hmm.
and kill him dead. When you ask him, hear him now? He not go so. Where the proof? Hear him not there. Where's the proof? Somebody said the proof man in your phone. He said, show me now. Me say me not for show you. Me say it in your phone.
But tell me
And the man
something.
will not take God
Tell
off
me
of the
something, you know.
cross.
Tell me something, you know. Him a do him thing, but they careless with him thing and whatever. But like you probably did do your thing too, and you know for craft and whatever. You not think same the suspect you say you probably had do something too.
Me not do nothing.
You never did that do nothing.
No, sir.
You never had
Me
a bad.
behave myself.
You never had nobody who like you and thing who you talk to look at me.
People,
You
yeah,
probably not do
like
nothing
me,
with
but me
them.
not do nothing.
No, what I mean that, but you talk to them though, but you not do nothing with them, right?
No, me not do nothing.
But you talk to them though, you know them
Yeah,
like
we
you.
talk to me.
Yeah, whatever. But him not know nothing about that, right?
No, sir. Killing dead me a angel feel.
Oh boy, and him would have never know because as usual, man no know how to govern them thing and woman know how to lock off for them thing proper. You understand?
Exactly.
Yeah. And so there would none of them like no look go out or nothing, no look kiss or nothing. So.
No, sir.
Well, not even one time, go out with one of them.
No.
Come on, man. I'm here chat to man. I'm a Raga talk to you.
They're not true, sir.
You never go out, not even one time you go out with one of them.
No, sir.
The one them who you did talk to different way, you never do nothing with. You never go out with them, not even one time.
I'm not my type.
Huh?
You're not my show.
I know you're a type, man.
Anyway, me I can't go because them your people are going like say they know my business. I tell me say me lie like so. You know must know.
Okay. All right then.
Alright.
Bless up yourself, man. Cool, cool, cool.
Cool.
People, we might make it, 39,940, right? Follow me, follow me, follow me. We can make it past the 40,000 and then, we can say Ray. All right? Say that. Oh, what, Lisa? All right, what on? Miss Hook up. All right. Hello?
Hey Raga, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
just just a big up. Me have one little story to tell, but my friend now on the screen record me.
No,
So
man,
me
no,
go-
man. You talk your time, man. I rather you talk to man. Say now, make we hear it. Yeah, make we hear it.
I was in my 20s then, but maybe me come from still.
Yeah.
But me can't talk where they can come from, but I'm Mobile.
All right, then we keep it this way. Yeah, man. Say now.
So anyway, I go get little oral and whatever. So the deacon live across the road
Well,
from
no,
me.
it was the first you go and get local oral. So
Yes.
you did at this point you never get it yet at all.
No.
Well, but him did promise you it. Or you know
Yes.
you did ever get it. That him say him did ever do it.
Yes.
No, but you have to tell me that. But did he come on, man? Come on, you cannot do with that, man.
All right.
Hold on. The deacon come fit. You have to tell with that part there. The deacon come for your lyrics and I tell you
A
say.
big deacon to it,
A
Raga,
big
but me
D.
can't tell you which part I'm
No,
Mobile.
no, we're not. No, you're not for going in that part. How him come for tell you saying, so me want to give a little tongue
Him
talk.
live him live cross from which part me live. So every time I
Yeah,
want like JP if he sign up something for me,
yeah,
me normally go to him if he
ye-
sort it out for me.
yeah,
So me as a young girl now, whatever, him
ye-
see me, him like me and whatnot.
yeah.
We start to talk and so forth.
Mm,
So him say, one day if you come check him.
right.
Somebody that hesitate and whatever. Cause
Eh,
me again me in my 20s.
right
My
at
early
that time. Right,
20s.
yes,
So me end up go over there.
right.
Right. So when me go over there now,
No, what this is when you was going for the little tongue action.
yes.
Okay, so him don't tell. So were you curious and wanted to, have a, were you curious about it?
No, me never curious about it because me have friends who tell me about it.
Yeah, but so why you decide to go over there if you say make him do him do? What was the trade off?
So exciting, I me just did want to go try.
You want to
Yeah.
go? Okay, all right then.
So
So yeah, yeah,
we end up go over there. Me end up go over there and so
yeah,
when me go over there now we sit down and talk and whatnot.
yeah.
And then all of a sudden the man go in the kitchen and call me in the kitchen. Me go in the kitchen. The man pour out red wine communion and they give me to take communion.
What you mean communion?
You know the
Yeah, me know the communion grape wine, but so what you mean? Him never call it communion though. Him just a give you look.
but me know say that because that type of religion them take communion.
Okay, all right then.
So
Okay,
red wine and a little crackers something.
yeah, all right,
I swear.
all right.
So me take the liquor in the little cup and the liquor crackers and then take it to. Then we go back in the living room, on the sofa, and we start to talk again and whatever.
Mm,
Then the man start the angling business.
which is him start the servicing.
Mm-hmm.
So there you were getting it for the first time, right?
Yeah,
Right there in the city, right?
yeah.
Okay. And was he good? Well, but even though it's your first time, I don't know if you don't know if it's good or not. But it did feel
It did feel weird at first.
at first.
Yeah, it did feel weird at first till me start to get into it.
Oh, yeah, okay, okay, all right.
Yes, but we did have to take communion first, and then every time after that, me realize when we go over there, we have to do first the communion first. I don't
No, no,
know
hold
why
on, hold on,
signify or
hold
why
on,
did
hold
mean,
on,
but
hold
we did
on,
have to
hold on,
do
hold
it
on, hold on.
first.
What you saying to me that every time before this man I go in when they look at eat things, when I have to eat the crackers and the red wine.
Yes,
Was it red wine or grape juice?
I know grape in red, so I figure more or less is red wine.
Well, they really don't give the
But it
church.
in a one, him always pour it in a little cup, and then him have the crackers. The liquor cracker thing.
What you mean?
Because a Catholic. A Catholic.
A Catholic, right?
Yes.
But so well on, so him have to even communion before him do the eatings?
I guess. But we always do.
Well on it. So we, I mean, I bless him, I bless the something first, just like when you gotta eat food, you say, God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. Right? So it look
Yes.
like a blessing, blessings have to go on before the eatings,
Uh-huh.
so well on. So it look like you did a go back for eat and you go back a couple times.
Yes.
So well on, at that alone him did do.
And then me realize I want to get into other things too.
Right,
Because him
right.
start to say to me, say, I want you to feel me length. So me,
Well, him say you need to feel him length. You need to feel a length and strength. No, yeah,
yes.
yeah. And then so what happened after that though?
So when him start to say no, he want me to feel him late. No, me start to get turned off by that. Because me not depend that.
You
I
depend
just
that.
the eating me want.
Just to eat things him for do, don't you?
Yes, when
Yeah.
time him start take
Anytime
out now
you
and
go over
start
there,
rub.
every time
Eh?
you go over there for feed him. Okay.
Yes. So when him start take out now and start rub now, me start to get up. Because me not
Mm,
depend that.
mm.
So me tell him say, me have to go over now. Me think my mother they call me. Me have to go over.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, cause me no want that. So every time he always a call me after that and I say, boy, I want you to feel me length, but look like you scared.
Yeah.
You're scared. Every time you come is just that one thing, one thing.
Right,
And you
right.
keep having excuses.
Right, right, right.
Yeah, it really just take time cut him off.
Okay, so him never get the run at all, this one.
But and then every time, like he might give me money or whatever, he always put in an envelope or he write check. I mean, if they carry the check, them go a bank, they go cash them.
No, that him used to do from before. But him did change. Him used to give you cash before.
Yeah, and then now he just start write pure check.
But why you think him change and start write a check? What was the reason for that?
Raga, me no know, and me never put too much thought into it.
Okay. But all the time when him did do the eatings, though, him did used to give you cash.
Right.
Okay. I wonder
And
why
then after that, a pure check.
a beer
Start
check.
right.
I wonder why him switched to check after that. I wonder. That is interesting. So, Bolan, him used to some, a good food. Him used to give you a fenke money.
It did good.
A good money. And well, him have a business separate, or you think from the church?
Me no know about a big deacon.
Big D come. I mean, usually them have them business separate and them career.
No, he never have no business.
Him never have no business. So I could have the church money he might use again.
I must. I me know me used to get me check.
Then you used to get your check and
But I did cash first and then he changed from cash to check.
to check. Interesting. Jeez. And then him want you to feel the length and strength. Yeah. And you take time, take away yourself and thing and whatever.
Yes.
So him did ever try to, coerce you into it physically. Him never try to hold you or nothing. So.
All the time, to be
All the
honest.
time. And what you do? What you do when him do that?
Me always have excuse.
Excuse and you
Me always have excuse. Cause me full of style.
full of style and wiggle out of that and thing and tell
So
him
me
how to
always have
leave
excuse.
and all these things and whatever. Send him wide and thing. Yeah.
But me just remember say we always have to do the communion before.
That I find that is just quite intriguing. Why
Everybody me tell about it, like me tell my friend them about it, and I peer laugh. Them say you're serious. Me say yes, no joke.
I can't imagine why that was important for him to do that.
I don't know.
Because the whole idea, well, I won't even go into it because that would be disrespectful in some way in terms of faith, in terms of the significance of communion. It's an analogical reference to of the Lord, of the body of God and so forth and things like that. But then there is this other element of it where it's a form of blessing. So
Right.
probably there's some. Well, probably he was just well raised, as we say in Jamaica. Him have brought up, see. So he was probably well raised. We say like never you eat without giving thanks before, you know.
Oh, and every time, like if we go out or whatever, he always tell me, say, we can't go out in our beer. Too much people know me. We have to go out of town.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, we understand that, you know. We understand that and thing, but I think the gentleman was just being quite manageable and appreciated,
Yes.
and it would suggest also that if you don't mind me saying it, but it would suggest that the meals he were having, you know, they were of high quality, you know, that the cuisine that you possess and thing that it was quite a bellyful, and that the quality of the entree was so good that he couldn't help but be thankful for it, you know. So big up yourself in that regard and thing and whatever. I never know him probably did you know, look a bit hungry too and things, so you probably did help out a situation, you know.
Mm-hmm. All right, Raga, big up yourself.
All right, man. Blessings, man. Cool.
All
Take
right.
care here. Cool. I see this thing are full with people. They request them, but people, I can't stay here all night. All right. I cannot stay here all night, so I'm gonna just thank you for hanging out with me, and think blessings and respect. I will not be here tomorrow. Saturday is my second son's birthday. I'll be busy all day with him and his brother and his sister. So more than likely, you're gonna have to wait until Monday. Okay? So Monday my forward, alright? I will juggle again, see it? But it's been a good week and it's been fun. It's good to be back. I want to say big respect to all of the people them who listen Ragashanti from long time and the support that are from Foundation. Big up on yourself saying, right? When you're in entertainment, you're nothing, absolutely nothing without your supporters. And I'm just very thankful that over all these decades of doing this, and all I get no fight to, I've always had, you know, people like yourselves who have been loyal and fully supportive and thing, and that you enjoy the product that I deliver and thing, okay? So it is my intention to be over here more regular. Finally, after much wait named from a lot of people, Munchie and all them people who for years raga TikTok if it there, TikTok if it there would need you over TikTok and thing and whatever. So give thanks. My day and you know, me like the vibes and the energy and thing, right? Big up all TamFamers, right? Big up all of the new people them, right? You know, people who never used to me and whatever, but on the debut, you know, big up on yourself. And in case you're wondering what TamFam is, that is my thing, TamFam. And it's just an abbreviation for Tambourine Family. And who know what the tambourine is? Who know raga, who know what the tambourine signify with my group, all right? So you know one TamFam straight, yeah? Nah switch, nah Lego and things, see? Nah man, Dana from Pembroke called about same way, man. She good, man. I go on, well, she's in Jamaica still. And thing, everything good with her and sitting, all right? So just know, so we go over here. Jamaica's top model. 20 years later, you still look younger than me. That is not true. Me a island peeps, big up yourself. That is not true. Me a old man. You hear me? All that and say me a old man. Okay. What time on Monday? We had agreed on 7 o'clock, but I want to bring it up to 6 o'clock and then finish by 8, 9. Because this thing where I'm here until after 11 o'clock, that not work. You know how many hours this thing I say? Wait through the time again. See, they're 4 hours and 15 minutes. Yeah. That not gonna work. You know, that's too long, man, you know? Like a 2 hours would be good, you know? Or 2.5 or something like that. All right. But KG say, Raga, Monday I have a story for you on tonight's initial topic. Okay, we'll look out for that Monday. I'm going to hold it to that. Sandy Slim, Raga, you know, so you're the only person don't use filter on TikTok. We're seeing the real you. I don't even know if I use them something there. And it's not something I would do anyway. Yeah, I know what a filter is, but I didn't even know you can use it on TikTok. You know, I didn't even know you can. Rather than platform your all day thing. No. Be reminded, I'm an immigration lawyer. I am actually busy with my clients' work in the days, right? So, you know, me have work to do, me have responsibilities, okay? Again, I am an immigration lawyer. U.S. immigration, not to do with Canada or England. So again, for those of you who contact me with Canada concerns or England concerns, that's not me, okay? So I am an immigration lawyer. So anybody who have U.S. immigration matters and thing, link up. You're not supposed to give numbers over here. So I go and say the number one time, and your TikTok no want you like when you even post it either, right? But send me a text if you have any U.S. immigration matter, okay? And the number, right? So for any of you, for yourself, or if you know anybody, here is the number. And I'm going to say it one time because you can't do it over TikTok, so get it. 516-500-0210. That's the number for immigration matters. Okay? All right, that is it. All right, take care of yourself, people. Yeah, when on post it, it's different than if me go post. Oh. Why, thank you, Gemini Queen. That's really sweet of you, all right? People, big up on yourself. The old man saying good night, right? You know, Aquarius Queen, enjoy your weekend too. Sandy Slim 5, so you don't have moderators. I have one, but he's very busy. I guess I have to get some moderators. You know, that TikTok thing or whatever, so I'll figure that out at some point. Sweet Julie, oh, you're still here. Sweet dreams to you too. Wagwan for Patty Belly. Patty Belly is all right. She's doing really well. She's a flight attendant with American Airlines, doing really well. Sweet Julie, you need more moderators like me. Happy birthday to your son. I'll tell him, okay? KJ is my second son, and it's his birthday this Saturday, so it's gonna be a fun day. Island peeps, I never hear ya big up Ants Nest Crew. Now man, big up the ANC, big up Ants Nest Crew forever and forever. Big up the SDC too. All right. John of Frasser bringing cross one night. That up on the table already, John. Don't worry yourself. That up on the table. We're going to we already map it out what we're gonna do, but we have to work it around the schedule. Montreal crew, big up. Cassie say Montreal crew. Cassie, you know John of Frost. John of Frost lock Montreal, you know. Look at on that song. Yeah. Peggy Debbie Liverpool. Raga is back. Yeah. Them for know. In full force, though. Yeah. Oh, and do remember, I promised you know that I would have post the Panda Rock Mixup yesterday. Yeah, I did post it this morning, so it is here over TikTok. So on the free for let's say it should be the last mix-up where, before when I see the live, when the live gone, it going to be at the first one, okay? So for those of you who want to hear the Pandy Rock mix-up, the turnover mix-up there and thing and whatever, it's there, okay? Sweet Julie said, I download that long time. Yeah, Gemini Queen, large up yourself. Wait, Manchester City, Sheldon, Liverpool, I lie. At that time, go on. Monique, big up yourself, man, and thing. TikTok is hotter than Facebook. Let me tell you something. Facebook can do the right, man. Let me tell you, say, them just complicate things over there, and every minute them just are come with one bag of new thing, and them just confusing. Yeah, them just confusing. Okay. All right. Anyway, people, big up on yourself. Henny mommy say, I want him Facebook. Now, man, Facebook still have them people over them, man. Them still have them people over there, but I don't like run up and down with social media and whatever, but why the TikTok thing, finally give in, whatever, But, I like the energy over here at TikTok, But there's just so much to do here, it can get a little bit overwhelming and things. So I just filter out a bag of the something them. I just come and do my show. I just appeal for people to follow me. I'm a good. Yeah. Alright. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Well, that's it. Alright, people. Bless upon yourself. Have a great weekend. Take care of you and yours. Watching the head boxing. Don't make nobody drown out and all these things, right? Okay. Oh, big up the people them who gifted, Queen Nash, large up yourself. Raw Souls. Yeah, CBS and everybody who's Raw Soul still a send rose there and things say all who contribute. Big up on yourself, see? Or that Malik. MALIC. Bless up, man. Munchie say, Raga, I want to sleep. Go on your bed. You go on your bed, no Munchie. Oh, wait, you don't have a bed. What am I talking about? You're not on a bed. All right, try and drop asleep on your piece of cardboard, all right? All right, night, people. Cool, good. Do you still be on Facebook? Yeah, I'm hardly over there, but on the Ragashanti page, I post a lot over there on the Ragashanti page. But I have the Kingsley Stewart page too, which is the personal page or whatever. But Sonia, yeah, I said the same thing when Munchie say. Raga, I want to sleep to go on your bed. And I said, well, no, go on the bed. No, go on the bed without me. Oh, that is so sweet. Munchie and Sonia. When I can't go on the bed unless me go on my bed too, though. Oh, that just warms my heart. All right. On the favor fat. All right, cool. I'm out. Sleeper box, Christina. Yeah. I remember that from high school. You hung up. No, you hung up. No, you hung up. You hung up first, no? No, you hung up. You hung up. You. Well, me not hang up then. Well, brother, trouble got up on the phone then or whatever. And then you end up all a drop asleep on the phone with all them foolishness. Remember that from high school? Well, not high school, but I never had a phone in high school. But when we were younger. All right, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night.